Comedy movies, it seems, are making a comeback with trailers for movies like Welcome to the Jungle and Hai Jawani Hai To Ishq Hona Hai doing kind of decent numbers and being recently well received. But amongst all of this, two of the funniest things I've seen in recent days. One is Ananya Pandey's dancing in Chand Mera Dil was amazing. It was Bharatnatyam fusion dance. And literally a step where that she ends on is this. That's robot.
But was it Bharatnatyam? Like, do we know? Was it like it was Bharatnatyam?
Hey, even she didn't know. It's cool. And the second most hilarious thing that I've seen in recent days is नाम क्या है तुम्हारा?
अशोक.
घी खाया करो अशोक.
बुढ़ापे में चमड़ी जो है वो शरीर से
तो क्या व्हाट इज लाइक बुढ़ापे में जब मांस छोड़ता है हड्डी को तब चर्बी काम आती है.
तो चर्बी काम आती है. चर्बी तो बहुत है हमारे पास.
वेलकम टू अनदर एपिसोड ऑफ कन्वर्सेशन. माय नेम इज तनिष लक्कर, joined by
स्नेहल अनेजा
and
अब्बास पवेल.
भाई we have been getting shit rolled. भाई क्या चल रहा है? मैं मुंह दिखाने के लायक नहीं रहा.
इतना प्रॉब्लम हो गया कि जब हम अंतरिक्ष में मिले मुझे मुंह दिखाई देनी पड़ी.
Dude, absolutely. Oh, thank you. Guys, you still want to meet me? I am blessed. Honored even. Dude, last episode was brutal for me. It seems like, dude, I feel I still stand by my point somehow. So I guess it's somewhat at least that about the superstardom. I don't want to repeat it. You go back to the previous episode, but I still do stand by that point because I feel a few people in the comments did understand what I was trying to say. And
समझे हम भी थे आप क्या कह रहे थे, बस आपकी टर्मिनोलॉजीज अलग.
Maybe yeah, my the way I explained it wasn't as good.
Yeah.
And now I'm not a journalistic writer like this fine gentleman sitting next to me.
I also got pushback because I said that Tiger Shroff is mediocre.
So equal.
मुझे भाई के लिए मिला कि स्नेहल को सलमान ग्रेट कैसे लग रहा है.
सलमान ग्रेट कैसे लगता है और वरुण अच्छा कैसे लगता है
यार. वरुण तो ठीक है.
I don't understand, dude.
वरुण तो सही है भाई.
Dude, हमारी मतलब कोई भी ओपिनियन ना हो फिर हम अभी प्लेट से बोले.
वो कह रहे हैं कि ओपिनियन हो, बस ये इसके ओपन रहो कि आप गलत ओपिनियन के साथ.
Yeah, correct. I think also maybe we left a lot of that portion into the episode. Maybe we should cut a bit of it. You know, we cut after my opinion. No discussion.
Bhai, there's this one comment that I specifically remember who's like कि just because I'm a listener and a fan of the channel, I would recommend कि आप वो bit काट दो. नहीं
correct. You lose subscribers because of this.
And we actually did also, I think.
नहीं.
No, we went back.
Dude, we lost 2 subscribers because of Splitsvilla episode. No. तो हम कुछ ट्राई ना करें फिर. We don't try anything.
But that's actually one episode that we were the most double-minded about. ठीक है, we are talking कैसे करना है कैसे नहीं करना, because
करना भी चाहिए. Does our audience have an appetite for any of this?
So what happened?
Clearly not. You guys are not hungry only. You guys don't feel hunger.
The thing is कि हम लोग ने जब ये डिस्कस किया ना तो we were like कि चलो ट्राई करते हैं, शायद नया ऑडियंस कैप्चर कर लिया. मुझे तो लग रहा है जो हमारा था वो ही लूज कर दिया. They are like, why a new low for the channel that we are talking about Splitsvilla. Bro, the funnier part is that none of us are on the episode. It's only
तुम लोग साले घर बैठ गए कि हाँ अंतरिक्ष को इसको ऑलरेडी हेट मिल रहा है, लेट हिम कंटिन्यू द स्ट्रीक. व्हाई एंड अंतरिक्ष हेट स्ट्रीक, डूड.
भाई मैंने 17 साल में एक एपिसोड देखा स्प्लिट्सविला का. मुझे पता ही नहीं है क्या चल रहा है.
भाई हम लोग को लगा भाई तू इतना पैशनेट है करने के लिए, let you do it.
Passionate. Dude, Snail almost tricked me into it. Okay, he was like, भाई आप ही देखते हो. Splitsvilla इतना अच्छा season. Like it's the most like it is actually
the most viral season. Yeah.
Like dude, like if you go to other channels where all these cast members of Splitsvilla are on, no, like people, contestants, whatever. Dude, their previous views are like 5k views and fucking 10k, 15k tops, okay? And then suddenly 800k. Even that channel is wondering like, man, ऐसा क्या कर दिया हमने, पहाड़ उखाड़ लिया हमने. Makes no sense. Dude, do you know?
हम भी वही करने की कोशिश कर रहे थे.
Just a quick thing.
तुम 800,000 तक ले नहीं गया.
A quick thing. Do you know that in the last finale episode of Splitsvilla, this season 16 that just went by, 17 million people voted. Just voting was 17 million people. That means उसके कम से कम double viewing होगी यार.
तो होगी आराम से.
Can you imagine? I can't even fathom that number.
But
Please subscribe to the channel. We also have memberships.
Does it also not count like if someone votes twice?
I don't know.
Okay.
It could be. So you're saying one person?
Even then, 17 million is a huge number.
Yeah, dude.
बस
Yeah.
ठीक है कोई बात नहीं
I mean, it is possible. But
मैंने भी अमित साना के लिए वोट किया था यार अमेरिकन आइडल
तभी हार गया तभी हार गया
सीजन 1 में
डूड किसी आई थिंक किसी
और तब तो SMS को कुछ ₹1.5 लगते थे
भाई लेकिन अमित साना वर्सेस अभिजीत सावंत
वो
was
insane.
It's
a
people still
debate.
talking about it.
It's still a debate.
yeah, still a debate.
बढ़िया क्या लगता है आपको
डिबेट तो नहीं है एवरीवन इन एग्रीमेंट अमित सारा
छोड़ा हुआ
नहीं but now there are like two questions that we have to cater to. One is कि अमित साना जितना चाहिए था कि नहीं and the other one is मेलोडी इतनी चॉकलेटी क्यों है
wow political wow just when did melody become political
Guys, this is a true story. We wanted to start the episode by eating Melody from a pack of
But it's sold out fucking
but
everywhere.
it's sold out everywhere on all the apps.
क्या मोदी जी यार क्या करते हो यार पार्ले का स्टॉक बढ़ाना आपको अब जो कंट्री डूब रही है पार्ले का स्टॉक बढ़ाना आपको
अब जिस बेचारे को एक्चुअली मेलोडी खानी
वो नहीं खा पा
वो
रहा है।
नहीं खा पा रहा है
Yeah.
इटली में बिक रही है
yeah correct melody क्या it's like $1 $2 dude like ₹1 ₹2
obviously bro
yeah तो she didn't have to take it to melody and give her melody
अरे but now the thing is कि अब भाई now Parle is running a full blown ad
Yeah.
campaign on this. I'm like,
I mean,
why
that to
crazy?
get capital that to make
Bro,
sense
of course,
that to make
man.
sense
Billboards and hoardings.
Correct.
अभी मैं आ रहा था तो एक्सप्रेसवे पे I was like
Yeah,
भाई
correct. Of
crazy
course.
चल रहा है
I think they posted that reel on their official channel
they reposted it
भाई
with a
Parle के
caption
स्टॉक्स बढ़ गए भाई क्या
bringing
बात है?
people together since 1986 or whatever जो भी
yeah this is the first time they brought someone together you know the thing is
मैंने मीम देखा था उसे लिखा था कि भाई ये इटली के लोग हमारे इंडिया की पॉलिटिक्स कब छोड़ेंगे
dude I'll tell you how good my timing is okay
yeah
there
10
used to be
minutes
ज़्यादा बोल रहा है
that's a lot
That's a lot, dude. But like, so my timing wise, like about say 3-4 months back, till 3-4 months back, on that filmy game show, I used to give melodies to the
Yeah,
audience members
yeah,
whenever they guess the right answer. Okay, and then I stopped doing it over time because I was like, maybe
who
it's like
cares about
yeah, nobody
melody?
cares about melody.
Turns out
It would be the next the biggest thing.
the most important
Yeah.
person in the country right
Yeah.
now cares about
Insane.
melodies.
Insane. I think Melody would have been a better villain in Kartavya. Saurabh Dwivedi, dude. At least more likable as a villain.
Acha, before we get into the episode and Kartavya, very smooth segue.
Oh, was it? Wow.
But
हमारा कर्तव्य बनता है आपको remind
हमारा
करना.
कर्तव्य बनता है आपको रिमाइंड कराना that we had put out this challenge of sorts to everyone and to us कि अगर हम लोग by the end of this month 31st में अगर हम लोग 5000 सब्सक्राइबर्स पूरे करते हैं तो हम लोग अपने पिछले कुछ वीडियोस में जाके टॉप 20 ट्रोल कमेंट्स निकालेंगे
अब वो सिर्फ स्प्लिट्सविला वाला
अब
एपिसोड
वो सिर्फ Spits वाला एपिसोड में आ जाएंगे
Priscilla and the anti-actor, actor.
and Dhurandhar.
भाई,
धुरंधर
yeah.
तो हम लोग नहीं छोड़ सकते भाई देयर आर
क्या छोड़ना?
530 कमेंट्स ऑन दैट
Yeah, wow,
20
dude.
तो उसी में
That
से
is
बट एनीवे
crazy, man.
हाँ
Yeah.
सो द अनाउंसमेंट वाज दैट अगर हम 31st मई तक 5000 सब्सक्राइबर्स हिट कर लेते हैं तो वील गो अपने पुराने वीडियोस में एंड वील पिक आउट 20 ट्रोल कमेंट्स एंड वील डू एन एंटायर एपिसोड आंसरिंग टू देम और लाइक टॉकिंग अबाउट देम और व्हाटएवर
Just laughing at them, yeah.
just laughing at them
Yeah.
तो अभी as of now the subscriber count that we are on
टुडे इज 23rd right
today is 23rd 24th
This
24th of
is by the way good practice. One of my favorite channels on the internet does this. Like Nerdrotic is a channel. This guy just trolls Hollywood and anything Hollywood does. Okay.
Yeah.
What he does is he starts his video saying, "Welcome to all 1.1 million of you." Okay, so like or whatever is he's been
Yeah,
doing that since like
yeah.
500K followers. He's been doing that. So he'll count down the exact number. What
Of
is it?
subscribers.
So he like a person who's tuning into the channel again and again, you know the growths. You've been following for like 2 years and like he's still doing that. And it's consistent and great.
So the count that we are on right now is 4923
Oh, we're right there.
So
dude.
if
We're
you
right there.
if you count back, I think 77.
So 20 of you can leave. Please don't though. But please don't.
ठीक है तो 77
77.
more subscribers
Yeah.
and
is what we need
is what we need in the next 6 days. Bro, that's more than 10 subscribers a day.
we can do it yes
No, you can do it.
एक हफ्ते में हमको 77
subscribers चाहिए. Okay guys, now it's on you to make it happen and then the first week of June वाला जो episode है that's us reading troll comments.
Correct. So
Speaking
again,
of troll comments, right now the country's biggest opposition is a troll page called
Cockroach
Janata
Mr.
Party.
Cockroach
हो गया
Janata
ना,
Party.
तो अब तो ब्लॉक हो गया ना हर जगह से.
हाँ, more or less.
Dude, but all those AI videos with cockroaches making speeches are damn funny.
Yeah.
Because
Bro,
they're pretty funny.
there are actually brands and NGOs and like organizations that are like doing cleanup drives and all of these drives.
Yamuna
like,
Grad, Yamuna
wearing,
cleanup, yeah.
Cockroach t-shirts.
cockroach.
Gear and
Yeah.
whatever. Yeah. Correct. But yeah, this
Dude,
is
whatever gets the country to be like a better place at this point. अगर आपको नदी साफ करनी है और कॉकरोच का कपड़ा पहन के करनी है, कर दो लेकिन साफ.
correct. But it's also sad that the government is not taking charge of cleaning rivers and all. But that's always been the case. Oh well, let's not criticize.
Suddenly, फटाफट से हम लोग ऐसा स्विफ्ट करके निकल गए इसके बारे में. Like, नहीं, कर्तव्य के बारे में बात करेंगे. That is what we are.
जिनका कर्तव्य है वो नहीं कर रहे. Speaking of कर्तव्य.
Great segue, bro. Okay, before we get into the movie reviews that we have today for Chand Mera Dil and for Kartavya coming up, you'll see the chapters there. We are talk about two trailers that are out that people are talking about.
जवानी तो इश्क होना है.
Yeah, that and Welcome to the Jungle. Talking about Hai Jawani To Ishq Hona Hai first. Dude, every song
Is a previous David Dhawan song.
previous David Dhawan movie song. I think
ये
BB number one.
सलमान का है ना ये.
BB number one का है.
हाँ, from BB number one.
And Chunri Chunri also there.
Yeah.
वो BB number one का है.
तो he goes तो सलमान presented the film ना on the
Oh, really?
event.
अच्छा, okay.
I don't know कि वो officially present कर रहा है कि नहीं, but he was at the event and सलमान is like ऐसा tease कर रहा है वरुण को, इसने मेरा एक और गाना चुरा लिया.
भाई चुराया तो नहीं. चुराया करो.
Where did we place Varun in our tier list?
Mid I think.
The comments tell us
मैंने तो good डाला था, but I think आप लोगों
So
ने
mid actor launching another mid actors
actor,
movie.
yeah.
Yeah.
Oh,
Okay.
dude,
Also guys, would you want to see like an actress? हमने तो सोचा था कि हम लोग एक्ट्रेस tier list डालेंगे.
Dude, of
of
course.
course, yeah.
चलो ठीक है, done.
Coming soon.
Needless to say, Janvi is the goat in that one.
Of course.
100%.
पेदी का ट्रेलर तो हम सबने देख ही लिया है.
And isn't she the goat in that?
She is. Yeah, the greatest
Of all tits.
awful times.
यार अब्बास यार.
Why, yaar, Abbas,
अरे,
yaar?
Why?
It was right there, bro. It was right there.
bro.
I mean, yeah, but sometimes things are right there. You don't want to say that.
Oh
bro.
shit, dude.
It's implied. I get it, Abbas, but you don't want to say it.
But yeah, we should do a actresses list.
Now we can't. That's the problem. That's the problem. We have foreseen what's gonna happen on that episode.
उसमें
Abbas starts rating the goat tier with that only.
no guys, that was a joke.
Horrible. Oh shit. Sorry guys. Sorry. Swiftly moving on again.
सारे टॉपिक मुझे लगता है ऐसे ही खत्म हो जाएंगे. 15 मिनट के अंदर डन विद
Yeah.
है जवानी तो इश्क होना है.
Welcome
Is
to
that the full title?
या
Or is
Oh.
it just है जवानी तो?
No, है जवानी तो इश्क होना है.
Oh fuck, okay.
Yeah, because how will they know? How will we know what
होना
song?
क्या है वो कैसे पता चलेगा?
What song will be they copying from?
True.
What do you think? What are your expectations of the movie? It looks like a time pass.
भाई इट्स अ वेरी ब्रेन रॉट
Brain rot time pass.
कॉमेडी.
Yeah, any movie.
And like very, and मुझे बस the problem with the time pass brain rot comedies these days is कि WhatsApp jokes मत डालो सीधा ही.
Cut to 3 weeks later, 2 weeks later, Snail
भाई,
comes
अच्छी
in.
picture थी,
हाँ भाई इतनी बुरी
भाई,
नहीं.
अच्छी है यार.
यार again, see, when I say कि इतनी
I
खराब
watched it with
film
a
नहीं
group
थी.
of people.
It exceeds your expectations because you wanted to be.
it's not
you
even
expected
about
to be-
that. It's about the fact कि what you go into the film expecting.
Exactly right.
ठीक है. So when you say कि यार इसको for example just for the sake of this argument कि अगर इसको सैयारा पसंद नहीं आई but इसको सन ऑफ सरदार 2 पसंद आ रही थी, that is two different genres. That's two different expectations. Those trailers have promised me two separate things. तो सन ऑफ सरदार 2 के ट्रेलर से जो मैं एक्सपेक्ट करके जा रहा हूँ अगर मुझे वही मिल रहा है, so for me that's a fine film. एंड सैयारा से अगर मैं कुछ ऐसा एक्सपेक्ट करके जा रहा हूँ कि भाई मेरे को तो मतलब ऐसा कुछ मिल जाएगा, एंड वो मुझे एक बहुत ही एवरेज स्टोरी विच इज ऑब्वियसली अ बेटर स्टोरी देन सन ऑफ सरदार, बट देन इफ इट्स नॉट like living up to the expectation that it has set for me, it's not so good.
Yeah,
it's not comparing
तो
the two
serious
films.
हो गया
In
है.
you guys' experience,
Sorry.
in you guys' experience, what usually works better? Like, is it better to have your expectations always tempered when entering theater, or because usually
No,
movies
not
will not live up to
necessarily. I mean,
look,
high
necessary,
expectations?
For example, it was very hard for us to go into Pathaan with low expectations because it was so hyped up. It
Yeah.
was first time Shah Rukh was coming back on screen after 3-4 years, right?
Yeah.
So in those cases, then obviously you go in with high expect because the film has set it that way. ये जवानी sorry है जवानी तो इश्क होना है. इसका हम previous track record देखे, it's not like David Dhawan has made superb films in the last couple of years.
He literally said कि short matter नहीं करता, ये हिंदुस्तान है, रिश्ता मैटर करता है कि आप क्या रिश्ता पोर्ट्रे कर रहे हो स्क्रीन पे. It's not like कितना intelligent shot आपने प्लेस किया है.
Plus the hit and miss
in a way, that's
record.
correct. It is not wrong.
The hit and miss record of Varun Dhawan. Plus ट्रेलर देख के तो ये लग रहा है वो जो कॉमेडी ऑफ एरर्स टाइप की फिल्में हुआ करती थी.
लिटिल बिट ऑफ गरम मसाला इन देयर, देखा तुमने?
हाँ, गरम मसाला थोड़ा सा यही सब है यार.
थोड़े डबल मीनिंग जोक्स होंगे जो भी होंगे. सो इट्स लाइक दैट इट इफ द मूवी टर्न्स आउट टू बी फनियर देन यू एक्सपेक्टेड देन इट्स अ बोनस.
बट अगर वो नॉर्मल एवरेज फनी भी है तो यू आर गोना गो एंड बी लाइक हाँ एवरेज फिल्म थी.
So what I'm understanding of the plot, if we've all seen the trailer, right?
Yeah.
What I'm understanding of the plot is he gets one woman pregnant, then he goes.
He wants to be a father. He can't get.
He's married to
they're not
Mrunal
able
Thakur
to have a child in the marriage.
With Mrunal's character. Mrunal is his wife, seemingly.
So it is implied that he then has he sleeps
affair.
with someone, has an affair.
Just to become a father.
अरे नहीं, आई थिंक उसके अंदर वो बोलता तो है कि हाँ मैं सिंगल नहीं अरे हाँ मैं सिंगल हूँ. तो ऐसा लग रहा है ट्रेलर में कि वो ऐसा हुआ होगा कि वो अपनी उस शादी में अपने माइंड से डिवोर्स की बात करके निकला होगा. ठीक है, नहीं मतलब
सेपरेशन टाइप.
हाँ, क्योंकि वो कहती है कि अरे पर मैं अभी भी हूँ तो सही तुम्हारी बीवी. हाँ, ऐसे करके डायलॉग है उसके अंदर. तो आई एम गेसिंग कि
they decide to separate.
बहुत ध्यान से देखिए बहुत ध्यान से.
क्या तूने लिखेगा?
जरा चेक करना क्रेडिट में.
देखो जिस हिसाब का डायलॉग है कि दिल्ली दिल वालों की और लंदन तो उस हिसाब से तो मैं लिख सकता हूँ. ऐसी कोई खराब नहीं है
भाई. ऐसी कुछ खराब नहीं है.
नहीं ऐसी कोई खराब बात नहीं है कि मतलब कि अनएक्सपेक्टेड सा कि मैं ना लिखा हूँ. इतना राइटिंग लेवल तो है मेरा भी.
मतलब इतना तो किसी का भी
सबका ही है. एग्जैक्टली.
That was improv dialogue, by the way. It was, could well be. Okay, so yeah, that's what it's looking like. There's Manish Paul is in the movie.
Manish Paul
is playing Manish Paul.
Manish Paul.
Varun Dhawan playing Varun Dhawan.
मेरा है.
I hate this.
Yuck. I hate that trope.
It. I absolutely hate it.
Yeah.
I watched this film. कौन है आयुष्मान की फिल्म? हम नहीं पति पत्नी और वो दो.
बोल रहा था हम दो हमारे.
Bro, उसके अंदर like dude we are in 2026.
उसमें मनीष पॉल है?
इतने मनीष पॉल नहीं है. उसके अंदर एक कैरेक्टर है जो जिसके मैनरिज्म्स थोड़े एफेमिनेट है. ठीक है, एंड दे आर सजेस्टिंग दैट ऑब्वियसली लाइक ही इज गे. एंड उसके अंदर देयर आर सो मेनी जोक्स.
Oh, just like those.
Yeah, the homophobic jokes, unfunny homophobic jokes. And then there is this one track where एक बहुत बड़ा नेता है, वो अपने बेटे को आयुष्मान के साथ गले लगते हुए देख लेता है एंड उसका फोटो.
तिग्मांशु धूलिया ना?
तिग्मांशु धूलिया, या ऑफ कोर्स. एंड वो उसमें कहता है कि मेरा कुल दीपक तो फुलझड़ी निकला और ये. एंड आई एम लाइक are we not past this?
Yeah.
Can we please move past this?
Is there a comeuppance for that character? Like in a sense, is there like
no? It's just like
redemption arc?
No, nothing.
He gets like his thing, whatever.
Nothing. यार ऊपर से the funny part is कि आयुष्मान जो मैं आपको एफेमिनेट वाला कैरेक्टर है वो बता रहा हूँ, वो उसको थोड़ा ऐसा like you know क्या कहते हैं उसको, थोड़ी वैसी टोन में बात कर रहा है कि अच्छा मिश्रा जी.
अब कहाँ गया आयुष्मान का प्रोग्रेसिव?
वही मैं कह रहा हूँ. तो उसके बाद लास्ट में ही इज गिविंग दैट स्पीच ऑफ सॉर्ट टू दिग्मांशु धूलिया कि अगर आपका ये होमोफोबिक वो चीज दुनिया के आगे आ जाए तो आपका पॉलिटिकल करियर तो गया. एंड दिस मतलब दिस कैरेक्टर नॉट आयुष्मान ऑफ कोर्स. ठीक है, 2 सीन पहले just to like you know play into the thing in front of Tikmanshu because he wants to get out of the trap and he's like कि आप इन सब को जाने दीजिए ना. आप why are you doing this? Why are you doing this? तो again I understand the intention towards this.
Yeah,
it's a cheap laugh.
But also
it should not be.
It's a cheap laugh and it's played a little differently.
भाई हम लोग आ गए ना भाई 26 में. इतना तो पता है ना अपने को. This is not 2003 anymore. वहां पे ये चीप लाफ्स लाइक लोगों को पता नहीं था तो लोग डाल देते थे. बट अभी है ना अक्कल इतना तो सोशल. अगर तुम्हें ये वाला जोक दिख रहा है सोशल मीडिया पे कि दिल्ली दिल वालों की और लंदन लिल वालों का, ठीक है, तो आपको ये भी दिख रहा है. मतलब है ना, अगर मतलब इतने तो आप सोशल मीडिया पे हो कि आपको ये दिख रहा है, ठीक है, तो आपको वो भी दिख ही रहा होगा कि आपको ये जोक्स नहीं मारने हैं.
Okay.
Jokes तो ये भी नहीं मारने, but वो तो especially नहीं मारने.
Okay, so anyways, that's one movie. Are you looking forward to it then? Are you gonna watch it?
You said that David Dhawan has declared that this is his last film.
So apparently, Karan Johar has posted a story that.
Oh wait, this is a Dharma film?
नहीं नहीं.
No,
अच्छा,
Karan
वो-
Johar has posted a story
Okay.
कि
He likes Varun.
this guy
No, nothing like that.
person,
Okay,
as a person,
guys, so
a
fine.
person. अभी मैंने ज्ञान पे and he's like
The way he said he likes Varun. Like, okay.
Yeah, as a person. Dude.
Yeah, as a
Friends,
person.
but
So I've already posted.
They're
So-
just friends and lovers. You know?
Yeah.
Go ahead. You know, dude.
पूरी मेहनत इस पे.
कसम से भाई
क्या मेहनत? I can't say what are rumors are.
No.
अच्छा चलो anyway
Already post.
तो ही उसने ये बोला कि like this मैंने डेविड सर से बात करी तो उन्होंने बोला this is my last film as a director. I'd be retiring after this, and then he's posted like 2 lines कि the David Dhawan is not just a director, he's a genre of films in himself और ये और वो.
I think David Dhawan should have retired after मुझसे शादी करोगे.
नहीं पार्टनर ठीक थी यार.
पार्टनर बाद में आई थी मुझसे शादी करोगे.
हाँ, that makes sense. Partners after, yeah.
अच्छा पार्टनर 2008 I think. मुझसे शादी को 2005.
Famous anecdote ना where Govinda said कि सलमान go and get a hair transplant.
ओह अच्छा हाँ. तो ठीक है पार्टनर के बात कर लेना चाहिए.
Yeah, partner ठीक था. Yeah.
Anyway,
But ठीक है, I also miss the David Dhawan
That's
genre
true.
of films. Like very honestly,
हाँ.
अगर मतलब जैसे प्रियदर्शन की भी हम बात करते हैं, like I miss the genre. अब again मुझे नहीं पता. I miss this because of nostalgia, or I genuinely want to watch films that are light-hearted comedies. It's just that मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा कि या तो वो क्रैक नहीं हो पा रहा है या हम लोग बहुत ही like exposed to सिनेमा ऐसे हो गए हैं कि हमें जो यूजुअली फनी लगता था वो हमें फनी लगना बंद हो गया एंड प्रोबेबली द डायरेक्टर्स राइटर्स आर नॉट.
So to that end,
I think it's a combination of.
to that end though, what do you guys think of the Welcome to the Jungle trailer then? The teaser, whatever.
भाई वो तो मुझे एकदम ही लॉस्ट केस
भाई
लग रहा है.
एटलीस्ट क्या कहते हैं जवानी में प्लॉट पता चल रहा है कि क्या है. वी गेट अ वेग आइडिया
But
ऑफ
ये
द
भी पता तो है
फिल्म.
plot. It's
क्या है
something,
बता.
They're making a movie in a jungle.
That's it.
Yeah, और क्या plot है? यही तो plot है. It's like a Tropic Thunder, this thing.
I don't know,
There'll be
bro.
meta jokes, there'll be this thing, there'll be
Which
that.
is such a.
I remember कि वो shoot कर रहा है and like मैं जान डाल रहा हूँ मरने में
That's the only joke that is in the
Yeah, that's also played
teaser.
on the Tropic Thunder trope.
And then there is the thing where Akshay Kumar is like मैं नहीं करूँगा picture, and then तुषार कपूर
करोड़ों का
Yeah.
सवाल
where
है.
he's like करोड़ों का सवाल है. फिर वो लाइन ADR डब की है. वो अक्षय कुमार बोल भी नहीं रहे कि जब हर बार पैसे की बात आ
But
जाती है.
that's the usual अक्षय कुमार trope. Like हम लोग उसमें भी बात कर रहे थे कि there are times जब वो वाला गाना
भूत
है
बंगला में.
भूत बंगला में
हाँ.
जो एंड का ट्रैक है राम जी आकर भला करेंगे उसके अंदर there are points जब वो रैप वाला पार्ट है नीचे
Is he's horrible lip syncing anyway.
वो तो गाना है. ये तो डायलॉग लाइन भी नहीं बोल रहे. वो ADR किया गया है ऊपर से.
Yeah, it's very वो तो
I
होता
don't know,
है.
I feel it's gonna be a mess. Also, Ahmad Khan's last 3 directorial ventures were Baghi 2, Baghi 3.
and Bhagi 4 my God.
No, not Baghi 4.
Oh, even the Baghi franchise thought he was not good at that.
Hero Banti 2.
So you guys have a problem with Hero Banti 2?
That is the track
Banti is
record.
also
But you're saying
Tiger,
Hero Banti
you know?
2 is good.
Bro, goat. There is a last. No, of course
That's the one in which Nawaz is the villain. No.
and he is playing the effeminate character.
हाँ, exactly.
Oh, wow.
And also trying to do Heath Ledger's Joker. But
Oh.
हाँ वो वही पूरा ट्राई कर रहा है. तो ये 3 पिछली पिक्चर हैं भाई अहमद खान की. उसके बाद वो बना रहा है वेलकम.
Man,
Ahmed Khan was last good in Mr. India.
So you know. Wow, nice. So the thing is, okay. I frankly, between these 2 movies, I'm looking a little more forward to Welcome to the Jungle.
Why?
Because it just feels.
It's
to
just
me,
because you see Sunil Shetty, Akshay Kumar, Paresh Rawal,
part of
Johnny
it.
Lever, and you think it will be funny. It will not be funny.
Don't put words in my mouth.
But वही reason है यार.
Are you mansplaining another man?
Yes. It's 2026, okay?
Yeah, but what I would say is
हाँ.
just because of how the trailer and the movie seem set up, this one seems for India slightly more unconventional than है Jawani To Ishq Hona, which seems like more of the same. Which
क्या
I like.
unconventional है इसमें?
Like, dude, just the main plot.
Big Boss का set लगाया है यार garden वाला.
Dude, it's supposed to be like, in a sense, it's all played into the meta-ness of it. No, so like bad sex, bad of this thing.
इतना
You never know.
overthink मत कर
You
यार.
never know. What I'm saying is, from what I have seen, I feel that also this has like, even if if the plot is bad, the plot is not going to be great.
There
in
will
either
be
of the
no
movies.
plot, हाँ.
In either of the movies, not going to be good. अभी suddenly Morning Roy उसकी आके मम्मी आके बन रही है. That doesn't make any sense. Okay, but ठीक है, चलो ठीक है.
But see, that is वो part of the plot है that it doesn't make sense.
Yeah.
So I think
this is also like the
हाँ मतलब ये दोनों की दोनों comedy
overarching
failure
plot-
types ही होंगी.
No, exactly. You comedy was only.
Yeah.
And Tropic Thunder is one of my favorite English comedies of all time. It's a classic. In case you haven't seen it,
Like basically
Please
we
watch.
asked for Robert Downey Jr. They gave us Akki Bhai with a double role.
have you seen Tropic Thunder?
No.
Dude, you know Robert Downey Jr. does a blackface. in
Yeah,
it,
yeah.
And it's the funniest thing ever.
Yeah.
Dude, and if you talk to like most black people, they also love that movie.
Yeah, they have accept.
They're
That's the
accepted
one.
it. That's the one exception because
exception they've
it's
given.
also playing into the fact that actors are so full of themselves and so like vain.
Like it's a commentary.
It's a commentary in a way. Yeah. So it kind of works. So I'm hoping this is a bit of that.
RDJ also makes fun of other like जैसे ओम शांति में फिल्म फेयर अवार्ड का जो सीक्वेंस है वैसे एक ऑस्कर सीक्वेंस है उसमें
Yeah, correct. In the
जहाँ पे
beginning,
रॉबर्ट डाउनी जूनियर इज प्लेइंग अ very clearly queer character
Yeah, with
for
Tobey Maguire.
award
With
for-
Tobey Maguire.
हाँ with Tobey Maguire to win an award.
Yeah.
तो वो भी एक वो है तो it's making commentary on all these
I would say
tropes.
before-
पर वो उतना clever humor इसमें नहीं होने वाला
नहीं होने वाला because that's not expected
Exactly,
also.
yeah.
हाँ
Yes.
मतलब इसमें लेकिन अगेन इसके अंदर वही नॉस्टैल्जिया बीटिंग है ना वापस से
काफी
मेरे
ज्यादा।
कल मेरे भाई अक्षय
Dude,
कुमार का
कुछ ज्यादा है,
डबल
कुछ
जो
ज्यादा
के डबल रोल है
हाँ बाप भी वही
अपने
है
बाप को
बेटा
देख
Oh, हाँ,
कर
correct.
सो आई डोंट नो हो सकता है सिर्फ गाने के लिए हो एंड एक्चुअल में ना हो।
probably yeah
हो सकता है।
wasn't this was the film that was
Or
in
within the movie he's playing a double role.
ये
वो भी हो सकता है, like in the movie.
See again when you pick up a plot like this where you're making a movie within a movie
Then the world is
there
a
are
oyster वैसे।
like there are 100
you can do
possibilities.
Om Shanti Om was
Om
that
Shanti Om
Correct,
was that.
correct,
Yeah,
correct,
exactly.
correct,
So you
correct.
can do that. Bads of Bollywood was that.
Yeah.
So you can actually build like
so many clever meta jokes
So many meta clever jokes.
but वो नहीं होने वाला
But
वो
हाँ like थोड़ा lost opportunity feels आ रहे हैं because
केले के छिलके पे फिसलने
यार
वाले
ये-
जोक्स ही
यार वो ना वो है तो सही रुक क्यों गया आगे सिग्नल है क्या bro that's मतलब like no
Yeah, I get it.
like it's the equivalent of Delhi and London
But like what I would say is
I would say you're setting yourself up for even a bigger disappointment because your Tropic Thunder is one of your favorite films.
no, I'm very tempered expecting. I'm not gonna love it. I'm just saying between these two films, I think for
This
me,
one is more.
Welcome to the Jungle seems a little more entertaining because also like if you just go by what is out
Starcast.
the teaser and trailer as of now, yes, Starcast also, but also like this one at least had one laugh moment. के मरने में कौन जाना था? I actually like at least like chuckled, even though that's a copied moment. That Sunil Shetty's dialogue off it is an add-on. So I was like, at least I chuckled there a little bit. I didn't do that once in the Hejmani, and that's their main trailer.
fair ठीक है
Whatever, anyway.
हाँ, देखनी हमने दोनों ही है
देखने दो।
तो
Saurabh Dwivedi was funnier in Kartavya then.
Bro, so should we talk about Kartavya first? So Kartavya, we'll wait for
हाँ,
Kartavya. a little bit,
पहले चांद मेरा
because चांद मेरा दिल.
वो याद है डीआईडी में अपन ऐसे करने लग गए थे डीआईडी एरा में
अपन नहीं तू मैं नहीं देखता
आपने डीआईडी देखा
देखा
मैंने-
है पर
only one
ऐसे
season I saw.
रेगुलरली नहीं देखता था
Which was the Dharmesh sir season.
द फर्स्ट सीजन
That one I saw. Shakti Mohan. I saw that season. Like, very good. That was very good.
धर्मेश वाला सीजन 1 नहीं था शायद हाँ
Anyway, so coming to Chand Mera Dil. Okay.
I haven't seen it.
I haven't seen it. Snil and I have seen it. Okay. And okay, पहले मोटा कैसे लगी तेरे को ओवरऑल एज अ मूवी?
I haven't seen it because I went to see Drishyam 3. I wanted to watch quality,
Abbas,
quality
Abbas was like,
cinema.
मुझे क्वालिटी सिनेमा देखना है ये मैं बता दूं पहले एपिसोड में
Yeah, yeah.
ताकि
Yeah,
2-3 कमेंट पे आ जाए
तो फिर
अब्बास
लोग
इज माय
मेरे-
फेवरेट
अब्बास
अब्बास
तो
इज
कुछ देखता ही नहीं है भाई मैंने 2 मलयालम और 2 इंग्लिश फिल्म देखी जो मैं बाद में बात करूंगा
Fair.
बट या these
अगर
people-
हम इसको बात करने देंगे तो
अगर हमारे दिल में चांद हुआ तो हम उसको-
honestly Chand Mera Dil we didn't know anything from the trailer of the movie
which is
and-
they're going the Sayara route by the way
हाँ,
of not doing
yeah, just
like,
playing one
promotions,
song
just keep
and,
putting out songs, putting out the trailer.
again Dharma's track record not the best for the last couple of
Yeah, and
films
this also won't help their track record much.
It's
So-
not already it's like they opened on discounted prices
yeah so I decided to skip it but surprisingly I've seen it's got
Yeah.
good reviews but I would love to see
मुझे
what
तो
You
you
didn't like it
guys
at all?
मुझे-
Nothing at all.
मतलब very average like I
Yeah,
didn't find
I
it to
agree.
be like a good film
I found it like just
see again not comparing it to Son of Sardar huh?
yeah. I found it just slightly above average. So like just barely above average.
यार
Okay? But I would
पसंद ही
say
नहीं आई यार
no. So what I would say, which is again, of course, entirely your opinion. But what I would say is that I feel they tried something new.
what
which
was
I-
new in this
Dude, like the
हाँ कुछ बताओ यार कहानी वाले बताओ
पहले
okay,
कहानी बता
firstly, spoiler alert.
Thanks.
Okay. Firstly, full spoiler alert. Okay.
हाँ
कुछ खास है नहीं उसमें स्पॉइलर लेकिन
नहीं एक दो
but
हैं
फिर भी
एक दो
हाँ.
फिर भी हैं ठीक है so basically there's this couple oh no so this boy and girl played by Laksh and Ananya Ananya seemingly this great dancer, which I put great in inverted commas because in quotation marks, because dude, there are 2 dance sequences that she has. Okay, she's basically doing the same dance routine, and each time it's worse than the previous. And each time
this is made
there's
by
a fusion dance sequence.
Same guy who did
Bags.
the director made Meenakshi Sundareshwar and आप जैसा
आप
कोई.
जैसा कोई
Yeah,
आप जैसा कोई तो ठीक लगी थी मुझे बट देन
Vivek Soni.
बट देन मैंने जब बोला था कि मुझे ठीक लगी देयर वर अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल
Who
इन द
said
कमेंट्स
it's
हु वर
not that great.
लाइक स्पेशली women who were like this is not like a great love story because the woman is being like उसको ये चीजों पे compromise करना पड़ा.
Okay, हाँ.
Like fair हो सकता
I was trying to
In that
remember,
regard, then, if you're just talking about that, this is a stronger.
घंटा this is worse.
No, bro. There was like a whole thing.
Bro she should anyway पहले story बताओ फिर उसके
sorry.
बाद
Also,
I
what are we to
interrupted
say
you.
what she should do? What the dude? Is that a man's
what she
Catch up. anyway.
So 2 lovers. Huh?
Yeah. So 2 lovers, they could fall in love in college. They have like some meet cute moments or whatever in college, and they start dating, and they get pregnant. The girl gets pregnant, and they decide after like trying to convince her कि abortion करवा ले, and she's like, "नहीं, I want the baby. I felt it inside. I want the baby." Okay, it is what it is. She said, literally, I'm quoting. Okay. Okay. I want
कि मुझे connection feel हुआ.
So I want the baby, and so he's like, चल ठीक है मेरी माँ कर लेते हैं बच्चा
तू भी माँ बन जा.
हाँ तू भी माँ बन जा. So then they have like a part where they go to the parents.
They're not married yet.
Not married. No,
okay.
they decided to get married.
Okay,
This is what they have to do. But they're still in college.
Okay.
They're still studying.
First or second year sort.
Yeah. So they get. So they go to their parents, respective parents, boys' parents and the mother's parents. Both set of parents disown them and saying like, this is not done. You're dumb if you want to keep the
Yeah.
child. You don't have any
You
feet
can
on the ground.
barely fend for yourself.
Very
बच्चा
fair
कहाँ
yourselves, you don't have
पालोगे?
this thing. Again, fair, all completely fair argument.
Yes,
okay?
yes.
And even like while watching it, you're like, yeah, of course, everything
Yeah.
makes sense.
So basically
Doesn't make anything-
मुद्दा ये है कि वो दोनों अब वो शी इज एक्सपेक्टिंग वो उसको लड़का भी जो है उसको कुछ प्रैक्टिकल रीजन देता है पेरेंट्स भी जो है प्रैक्टिकल रीजन देते हैं वो मना करती है द गाय बेसिकली सेज कि ठीक है मैं भागूंगा नहीं रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी से अगर तुझे तो शी सेज कि तुझे अगर नहीं करना है तो तू मत कर दिस बीइंग अ वेरी पिवटल सीन बिकॉज दिस कम्स अप लेटर ठीक है तो वो उसको कहती है तुझे नहीं साथ देना है तो तू मत दे मैं अकेले संभाल लूंगी
हाँ, पर ऐसा थोड़ी चलता है Yes.
तो हाँ तो देन ही गोज कि नहीं मैं तेरे साथ हूँ जो भी होगा जैसा भी होगा वगैरह वगैरह दे गेट मैरिड नाउ दे आर स्टिल इन कॉलेज बट वो अब मैरिड है तो साथ तो रह नहीं सकते तो वो बाहर एक घर लेके रहने लग जाते हैं रेंट पे
Oh yeah, by the way, okay, there's a part where they go and tell their principal. Okay, okay. Firstly, the weirdest principal ever.
I swear dude
The one if you take one quote away from this movie, it is the principal addressing his entire alumni meet or whatever, like alumni of the school of the college, and he goes, यहाँ पे अब मुझे मैं ये जानता हूँ एज प्रिंसिपल, आई एम सो प्राउड ऑफ द प्रिंसिपल, मैं ये जानता हूँ कि यहाँ पे अच्छे इंजीनियर बने ना या ना बने, अच्छे दोस्त जरूर बनते हैं. And I'm like, dude, a principal can't say that, dude.
एंड पता है ये लाइन बोलने से जस्ट पहले वो क्या बोलता है ये स्पीच तैयार करने में मुझे 1 हफ्ता लगा है छूती है तेरे को 1 हफ्ते में तूने ये सबसे दुनिया की सबसे फुद्दू लाइन बोली है
Doesn't make sense, dude. You don't want your
एंड इसके बाद वो बोलता है कि ये सारे लुमिनाई को देख के मुझे लगता है कि इस बार 100% प्लेसमेंट हो ही जाएगा थैंक्स एंजॉय मैंने कहा मुझे 2 लाइन सोचा 2 हफ्ते में साले
dude, yeah. So then they go to principal and tell him, hey, so we are
Expecting
I
now.
knocked it up and now we're expecting and
आई नॉट
we wanna get
नहीं
married.
बोलता हूँ बट
implied वो तो कट कर दिया वो सब उन्होंने. तो anyway, so then the principal is like, okay, you know what,
I support you.
I support you.
Without asking this कि वो तेरे हॉस्टल रूम में कर क्या रही थी
हाँ, correct, none of that. Absolutely right, dude. That's true. Good catch. None of those questions asked. He's like, देखो तुम्हारे फ्लैट बैचमेट ने कितने फूल रखे तुम्हारे उसका his cabin is full of flowers.
मुझे समझ में नहीं आया.
Gifted to the principal.
प्रिंसिपल को कहाँ फूल भेज रहा है तू उसने क्या किया है
Correct.
उसने क्या
हाँ, और
किया
अपने दोस्तों को दो ना यार. प्रिंसिपल को क्या दे रहे हो? सर आप दे देना उनको प्लीज. Don't make any
कैसा
sense. Anyway, so then they move out of campus and they start living together.
फिर वो रेंट पे ले लेते हैं now he has to take care of the rent and everything
Yeah, because now he's a student also. Plus he's trying to get
How is
taken
he
on
paying rent?
So that's what he gets a coaching
Okay.
center job where he's teaching like young kids. Also bratty fucking kids.
हाँ bro one of the students is a friend of mine
Oh,
actually
is it the one who beats him
no
up?
not
Oh,
the
that
one
fucking
the other one he's just there in
Oh,
the
the
scene
चश्मे वाला?
No, he's उसका कोई आपको like if you don't know the guy you won't notice the guy. It's like one of the students, but because like I've done theater with him, so I know that he was. I was like, hey, Palash, And then I was like, okay, now he's not there. But like, he was
But he
there.
was there.
He was there, yeah.
Nice,
Wait,
nice.
but the students beat up the guy?
बाद में आएंगे ना आप ऐसा
Yeah. Don't jump-
get too
don't jump the
excited,
gun.
please.
Don't jump
ठीक
the
है,
gun like we do.
Okay.
तो anyway, अब now the scenario is again. So the story tries to play both the narratives.
Can I quickly?
हाँ,
Sorry,
please.
there's one part. Okay, because we already moved past that part. When the dance happens. Okay, so basically this is the big like inaugural thing where
Freshers party of
where students have to come show their talent. Sometimes they do. And Ananya's character goes and dances. Okay, and she dances clearly very badly. Like there's no one who watched that movie and can say, "Oh, that was good dancing," because it wasn't. Okay, it was awkward. She was like hip thrusting in weird ways. It was
Fusion
very weird.
tha basically.
Very weird. Even for fusion, it was very bad because see. We have seen so many reels of dancers actually doing fusion beautifully well. Okay, so this was like it really stood out as bad. And then you cut to Lakshya's character. Everyone else is like clapping and whatever. Lakshya's character ऐसे दंग देख रहा है. Okay, in context we know कि उसको प्यार हो गया because एक पहली नजर में प्यार हो गया. Okay, but ऐसे because of acting or dancing is so bad, लगता है कि he is so embarrassed and disgusted by her acting
कि आगे जाके मुझे इससे प्यार होने वाला है.
Oh shit, इतना गंदा भी हो सकता है यार.
ठीक है. तो anyway, अब now they are trying to.
No. Sorry man.
अरे भाई story.
नहीं. ठीक है,
चलो ठीक है. कोई
This
बात
is what we do, man. We break it down, tell Abbas what the story is. That's what it is, dude. Okay, so then they have start doing their meet cute moments. Okay, there's a whole sequence where he somehow he sees from his window every day what she's wearing and tries to match that exact color of t-shirt or shirt. Okay, so every time she's wearing like a kurti of like yellow or beige or whatever, he'll match those exact color, blue or whatever. Okay. So one day he stops wearing it and she's like, oh, हार मांगा है. And she's like, तुम मुझे सिखाओगे यार पढ़ा मेरे को मैथ्स में मैं थोड़ी वीक हूँ, can you teach me? She goes to his dorm room, like 2 states type situation. Goes to his dorm room, and you know how she basically like beds him or whatever, like consummates or like seduces him. Okay, she tells him he's making coffee for her. She says black. Okay, and he's like, no, मेरे पास milk है, I have दूध है. ऐसा क्या मैं इतना भी गरीब नहीं हूँ. She's like, no, black. He looks down. Her underwear is sticking out and it's black in color. That's so weird. Who does that? That is bizarre. Yes.
Bro, इससे ज्यादा पता है ये तो था ही. ठीक है, अब so now the thing is उन्होंने बताया ना सारे कपड़े मैच कर रहे हैं, वो कर रहे हैं. तो end में there's this sequence, there's this point where Ananya wears like a neon suit.
Yeah, she's like,
ठीक है, neon suit and then like expecting कि भाई लड़के के पास neon t-shirt क्या कर रहे हैं.
how difficult to match.
Difficult to match. ठीक है,
Put a challenge or put a test.
So they go and they buy a neon t-shirt and then they come. I was watching it with a friend and she goes, ये तो तुम्हारे लिए normally कपड़े हैं.
Correct bro.
Then I was like, neon t-shirt में क्या problem?
100%. So whatever. Okay, so now they moved out of campus. Okay, they're living together. And he's like really trying to make ends meet, and she's also because they've gone through the pregnancy. She's had the child.
Oh, it's had the child.
Yeah, she's had the child. She's going through postpartum depression also.
Okay.
Is that the correct word?
Postpartum, not postmortem.
Oh, sorry, did I say postmortem? Postmortem तो बनता है भाई. Postmortem तो बनता है. Sorry. So they've had the child.
Yeah.
They're both trying to make ends meet. They're both still students. So they're both studying. She's studying and trying to get the child. He's studying, also trying to get the child, also trying to do coaching classes.
Earning and everything.
Okay,
Yeah.
so basically now what happens when you're married and you're living together all the time and whatever, you get a little snappy at each other sometimes because
We don't know, you know, huh?
I know. Yeah. Sometimes it does happen. Right? You get
Yeah.
And so he snaps at her a few times, and she's like, they're building a pattern. Okay, oh, he's throws becoming a little more toxic.
ये थोड़ा मतलब ऐसे टीवी सीरियल जोन में जा रहा है जिस तरह से तुम लोग स्टोरी समझा रहे हो.
मतलब इतनी लंबी स्टोरी है नहीं क्योंकि हम थोड़ा कमेंट्री के साथ बता रहे हैं तो वो लंबा सा है.
Okay.
So anyway, at some point, okay, he
how much of the movie are we through till now?
अभी तो इंटरवल भी नहीं हुआ.
अच्छा, okay.
but it's and then it'll be very fast once we
okay.
actually move part. This is the main point of contention that we're getting to. Okay. Now he's getting really upset. कि यार मेरे को तो लग रहा है कि I'm putting too much more effort into this marriage and to being a father than she's putting into this and taking care of the child or whatever. So he starts like थोड़ा toxicity whatever like थोड़ा he starts feeling, what is the word?
थोड़ा frustrated feel करने लग जाता है.
Frustrations come from
Actually scene क्या है कि वो अब he is also taking care of the child, he is also studying and then he is also going out to on. ठीक है, अनन्या उसको ऑफर करती है कि मैं भी स्टार्ट कर देती हूँ वगैरह वगैरह. एंड इज लाइक नहीं, वो मैं उसका ध्यान रख लूंगा, तुम अपना ध्यान रखो और बच्चे का ध्यान रखो. फेयर, ठीक है, सब कुछ ये चल रहा है. एंड देन व्हाट हैपेंस इज कि वो पढ़ाई उतनी नहीं कर पा रहा या उस पर उतना फोकस नहीं कर पा रहा. एंड जब प्लेसमेंट्स का टाइम आता है तो अनन्या को बहुत अच्छी कंपनी में प्लेसमेंट मिल जाती है. एंड इसको भी एक बहुत अच्छी कंपनी में प्लेसमेंट मिलती है, बट उनकी हैदराबाद में है स्टोरी बेस्ड, तो उनकी हैदराबाद टीम जो है वो फुल रहती है. और वो कहते हैं कि आप दिल्ली में हम आपको ग्रुप लीड देने को रेडी हैं. तो इसलिए मैं दिल्ली नहीं जा सकता क्योंकि मेरी फैमिली सारी यहाँ पर है. तो वो देर लाइक फैमिली मम्मी पापा समझ जाएंगे. इज लाइक नहीं मेरी बीवी और मेरा बच्चा. एंड देन दे आल्सो लाइक क्रैक लाइक अ कपल ऑफ जोक्स. ठीक है, तो उसको बार बार ये अब लाइक सीक्वेंसेस प्ले आउट इन अ वे वेयर ही स्टार्ट्स फीलिंग कि मेरे पोटेंशियल को मैं मैच नहीं कर पा रहा क्योंकि अनन्या और बच्चा है, जबकि मैं पहले बोल रहा था दैट बच्चा करना इज प्रैक्टिकली रॉन्ग एट दिस स्टेज ऑफ आवर लाइव्स. तो ये उसका बिल्डअप होता हुआ दिखाया है.
So then one day finally when he comes back home, he has just given another job interview and gotten it. But it's not the package
But it's
or job
like
that he
one of
wanted.
the worst jobs because the commentary में ये दिखाया पीछे लाइक बच्चे चैटर में कह रहे हैं कि कोई लूजर ही बैठेगा यार इस कंपनी में, तो हमारा लास्ट वो तो ये था, ये इसमें तो जो भी बैठेगा. एंड देन दिखाया कि इस पूरे कंपनी के लिए 3 ही बच्चे बैठे हैं जिसमें से एक ये है.
So he comes back home upset, but his wife Ananya throws a party for him and all. Also, I must say Ananya very pretty in this movie. All his dressing and all very very nice, very well done. I really liked it. So anyway, I actually I found her acting to be a little better than Lakshya's also, I must say. But I know you disagree with that. We'll come to that. So anyway, she's thrown a party for him at his friends where he's like acting, yeah, I'm fine. And she says like after the party ends, she's like, I know you're upset, okay? And then they get into like a fight where he's like, Arey, I don't like this. I don't like what I've become. You know those typical whatever like fight that break out. And then कुछ करते करते she says, अरे तू तेरे को क्या पता? Your parents are also like this. Something she says about the family, okay? And then he gets like really upset and he like holds her jaw. Like, hey.
That's in the trailer.
Yeah, that's in the trailer.
That exact scene
is the
holds
point
her jaw
of contention.
and pins her against like the pillar, the wall,
And
whatever they
before this, it's been established that when she was a kid, her family was very abusive. Her father was very abusive to her mother, who was a mother, and whatever मारते the. And so that she's like a big trauma in her life, where she used to be stuck in her room and like really cowering because it's very scary as a child, I'm sure, right? So cut to this. Immediately, she's like, dude, completely not done. Okay, I'm not going to tolerate this at all. She picks up her child, packs the child's bag, and gets out of the house. Okay, respectable. That makes sense. Okay, but of course, she still loves the guy, and he immediately realizes that, oh, I fucked up big time. Okay, all my arguments are out the window. This is the bottom of the barrel that I've done right now, and immediately starts apologizing, very sorry, but she's like, no, nothing happening. This is like now for the rest of like in what she must be thinking is for the rest of my life, I don't want to be scared. Okay, oh, my husband is gonna do some dumb shit like this and whatever, like which is a fair argument to have, right? Now rest of the movie is him trying to win her back and her like saying, look, I still have feelings, but we can't go back.
We can't look past that.
We can't look past that.
ठीक है, and फिर बाद में दिखाया that she is living in like a good fancy house. She has like a good job, MNC.
She's also a new boyfriend.
हाँ, जो उसका boss है,
which is the singer by the way.
Yeah, दूर में.
What's his name?
हाँ, ठीक है. So that guy. तो अब now he is like उसने उसको propose किया है और and now this guy लक्ष्य is basically कि भाई ठीक है, मेरे को मेरी बेटी से तो मिलने दो एटलीस्ट. तो she's like हाँ तुम weekends पे आ सकते हो.
And we are shown that he's trying to be a good father.
Yeah. तो again लक्ष्य की कैरेक्टर में कुछ बुराई नहीं दिखाई apart from that one scene. ठीक है. अब उसके बाद क्या है, अब नाउ हमें ये भी इंस्टेंसेस दिखा रहे हैं कि हाँ इसको पसंद आ रहा है, लाइक अनन्या को उसका कि वो सुधर गया है, वो ये कर गया है, वो कर गया है, ठीक है, वगैरह वगैरह. एंड देन वो दिखाते हैं केविन ने उसको बेसिकली प्रपोज किया है वापसी के लिए. अब बास को स्टोरी सुन के नींद आ रही है, सोचो पिक्चर देख के कैसा फील होएगा
भाई. I guess I didn't see him yawn when I was explaining it.
ठीक है.
So Kevin is her boyfriend who she's now engaged to.
Yeah.
And basically whatever. Okay, so Lakshya's like he's really mopey, right? He's really like one of those toxic paglu whatever tropes and all.
But that's the only one. That's one
literally the
instance of toxicity that he's shown, right?
So no, there are like they are building up to a pattern before that. Small things.
Like the anger part.
Yeah,
ठीक है, that he gets very frustrated and because he's like कि मैं अपना potential नहीं वो कर पा रहा. Then eventually on the day of their engagement वो आता है कहता है
Kevin and
तो वो आता है और आके कहता है कि हमने डिवोर्स तो ले लिया है, ठीक है, तुम्हारी एंगेजमेंट भी हो रही है, मैं यूएस जा रहा हूँ 2 साल के लिए मास्टर्स करने के लिए, ठीक है वगैरह वगैरह। तो शीज लाइक हाँ उस दो दिखाया है कि हाँ ठीक है एक गुड मोमेंट बाय बाय ओके ठीक है। वो चला जाता है 2 साल पढ़ता है वापस आता है रीयूनियन पे
Yeah.
ठीक है रीयूनियन पे
Also, they
वापस
just stream past the 2 years that he's away. Like
पूरा
completely.
ठीक है
Okay.
fly
तो
past
ठीक है
it.
वो वापस आता है तो वो वापस आके दैट्स द सेकंड टाइम जब वो डांस की बात हो रहे हैं वापस आता है रियूनियन पे देखता है कि सामने अन्ना पांडे वापस से है। वो लोग फिर वापस अपने रूम में जाते हैं दे हैव अ कॉन्वर्सेशन एंड देन
वो बहुत ही इजीली रफा दफा कर दिया उन्होंने।
बहुत इजीली ठीक है
बहुत
वापस
easily,
आते हैं
yeah,
वापस आके कॉन्वर्सेशन करते हैं एंड नाउ सडनली दे आर लाइक हैविंग अ फुल ब्लोन कॉन्वर्सेशन वेयर अनन्या नाउ इज लाइक कि
I never married him.
हाँ कि मैंने तो कभी केविन से शादी नहीं करी थी मैंने
Yeah.
तो उसी दिन
Because you
engagement तोड़
came,
दिया था
you came and
Because-
said all those things. I realized that I still love you.
Oh.
Okay, but they didn't show any of that. They should have
Yeah.
concentrated on that more.
एंड ऊपर से लाइक कि जब तुम अपनी काव्या नाम है शायद बेटी का या जो भी है जब तुम उसको
काव्या,
फोन
काव्या।
करते थे तो मैं इंतजार करती थी कि मैं तुम्हारी आवाज सुन सकूं तो ही इज लाइक कि तुमने मुझे कभी बोला क्यों नहीं
नहीं.
He's
He
like
doesn't
कि-
say that. He says, "तुमने मुझे कभी बोला है?"
Bro,
He says it like that
and
because you can't understand anything.
And the
Lakshan
fact
saying
that
it is
while he's doing all of these things, he's banging on the wall. He's like punching the windows
and
all.
holding her like this.
And
I'm
I'm
like, dude, you want to go away from me again, dude?
What, dude?
Also, since you've been back, you haven't asked about your daughter once.
I'm like, तू कर क्या रहा है, bro? Like clearly the pattern has not changed.
Yeah, yeah.
He's still banging on. And भाई ऐसे नहीं कि मतलब ओ तुमने मुझे तुम्हारी माँ ऐसे ठीक है भाई मेरी फट गई देख के मुझे लगा थप्पड़ मार देगा अनन्या को यहाँ पे भाई इतनी तेज
Since you like this.
एंड देन अनन्या गोज लाइक कि नहीं मैं तो हमेशा मैंने तुम्हें इसलिए नहीं बताया क्योंकि मैं फिर नहीं चाहती थी कि तुम फ्रस्ट्रेट हो जाओ और ये करो तुम्हें लगे कि तुम जो
I
अचीव
couldn't
करना
hold you
चाह
back
रहे थे
again.
हाँ कि जैसे पहले बच्चे के साथ मैंने किया मैं नहीं चाहती थी कि अब मैं फिर से करूं इसलिए मैंने तुम्हें पहले कभी नहीं बताया अब बता देती हूँ ठीक है एंड देन ही गोज कि बट केविन का क्या एंड इज लाइक उससे तो मैंने शाम को ही एंगेजमेंट तोड़ी थी तूने सुबह एंगेजमेंट करी शाम को तोड़ दी
बेचारा Kevin.
भाई
They don't show.
बेचारा तभी उससे दूर हो गया बाद में भाई
Correct, bro. And they didn't show any of Kevin.
Yeah, what happened?
फिर
to
Kevin
Kevin?
Nothing.
Hey, and I'm like,
And
भाई,
dude, you know what Kevin was such a nice guy. Bro, उसका landlord था. He was cooking for her and all. Dude, trying to impress her like the right ways. Poor guy, dude.
dude,
Bad Kevin.
and then I'm like, so that's why I hated this. Like, I think because of this part, I hated the entire film because अनन्या का पूरा stance ही खत्म कर दिया तुमने last scene
So
में.
how does the movie end then?
बस
Like,
खत्म.
back together. Back
अब ये
together.
साथ
Oh, they're
हो
back
गए
together.
Yeah.
It doesn't make sense. It really. Why should they get back? तुम ना यार see. पता है like for me. Like again,
Dude,
my opinion
Yeah,
here.
yeah.
For me, it like the movie could have been a very progressive stance at co-parenting. It could have been a very progressive stance at co-parenting.
It was always going to be a love story, man.
Bro, but that's what I'm saying. That's why I use this point कि यहाँ पे this could be like a हटके ending for a Bollywood film where you had a love story, you realized that you were f***ed up, ठीक है, and you were not ready. This was not. I'm not saying इंसान
Yeah.
खराब है कि सही है.
You grew out of it.
You grew out of. यार टाइमिंग सही नहीं था. Grew out भी चलो तुम्हें नहीं दिखाना. टाइमिंग सही नहीं था. You realized that you guys were too young to do that. तुमने गलती हुई एंड वो छोटी गलती नहीं है. It's violence. ठीक है. तुमने उसको acknowledge किया. You were a great father to her. She's a great mother to her. She has a new life. She says that I
But
feel safe with Kevin and all of
But
these
she
things.
can fall back in love. You can't tell her how to
अरे
behave
भाई
after something
मैं
has
बात
happened to
हो
her.
मैं उसको थोड़ी बता रहा हूँ कि तुम्हें कैसे बिहेव
वही
करना
तो, so
चाहिए.
that's what
आई
I'm
एम
saying.
सेइंग कि
So it
मेरे
is
हिसाब से
possible.
स्टोरी का एंडिंग ये होना चाहिए था कि तुमने अगर इतना स्ट्रॉन्ग स्टांस लिया है अगेंस्ट वायलेंस व्हिच इज द राइट टेक यू शुड हैव टेकन दैट
Yeah,
व्हिच इज द राइट टेक.
yeah.
तो एंड में I didn't feel it should to be right to be given to that stance ki
So I don't think it nullified her entire stance. At the end, if she got back together after so much, this guy's had so much time to reflect
But
on his
2 साल
actions.
में बताया क्यों नहीं फिर उसको?
No, because he was abroad. He was studying abroad.
So
See, कि-
give him a hint that when you get back, can we get back together?
No, but her excuse was कि I didn't want to.
Also not telling him for 2 years that she broke off the engagement.
Yeah.
Why?
No, I got that.
भाई ये सारे स्टांस की तो मुझे सेकेंडरी हैं. बट
Yeah.
मैं कह रहा हूँ जब तुमने
हाँ,
इतने साल
principle
तुमने ये
है.
भाई it's just on principle at this point.
Dude, see.
तो यार
Okay,
ये तो वही बात
on
हो गई ना कि
principle-
आपने उसको मारा फिर उसके बाद आपने उसको सॉरी बोल दिया. आपने 1 साल अपने आप को वो दिखाया एंड नाउ दैट what are the chances and what
Dude,
is the guarantee
see.
that this won't happen again?
Okay. Correct. You're right. Okay.
He
But
still is
so-
shouting like maniacs in
he-
front of her.
Dude, but he's so repentive. Okay. And that's the actor's call. Like, I think that's the character's way of showing emotion. Okay, we can't say that that's going to lead to
Bhai,
more violence.
That's what I'm
We
saying.
can't say that. Like, how would you say that? That's also a leap to make. No, कि just because he is like saying, hey, why did you do this? Okay, why if he's doing that? Just because of that, he'll be more violent towards
the
her.
entire point is to reflect on how I manage my anger or frustrating situations. अगर वो उस frustrating situation में
Yeah, so he didn't hit her, he hit the wall, dude. That's a good thing. That's progress. Is it not? No, she loved the movie way more than me. Kirti loved the movie way. I think it's
But then
definitely
Kirti
about.
also loves Kabir Singh, so
Yeah, Kabir Singh,
I
one of her
don't
favorite movies. So that's what I'm saying. Like, see, if you think about it, right? What I would say is they did not glorify like hitting women or anything like that in this movie, which I really
course
liked.
not.
Which I really liked.
Bhai,
Dude,
that's the-
movies like
that
Kabir and
is
all
the-
that.
is the
bro,
bare
that
minimum.
base
But
level,
that's
yeah,
why-
exactly.
That's become such an abnormality in this toxic paglu world that we live in, dude. In that is Deewane ki Deewaniyat, is in Kabir Singh also, Animal also. Dude, there are things like this
I
which
know,
are glorified.
मतलब मैं उसको ये नहीं कह रहा कि
So, in
भाई
that
बहुत
wo- in
गलत और
this-
गलत भी तो चीजें होती
That's what
हैं.
I'm saying. In this world, I was really surprised because I was. See, also what happens, right? It's about the expectation. I had zero expectation. I was like, I was expecting to not like the movie at all. Plus, it's also about who you watch it with. I watched it with my wife, who was really enjoying it. Okay, and we were like cracking jokes at each other about the movie throughout the movie. And then at the end, like when it all came together, I was like, okay, I can actually even see Ananya acting better than Lakshya because sorry, okay, I feel Laksh का चेहरे पे expressions आते ही नहीं है. It's just one expression. His expressions are not. His face is not that expressive. His body language is good and all. Okay, he looks like a handsome hunk, yes, but expressive not at all. Ananya was way more expressive in this movie, and उसके acting में काफी ठहराव था. If you watch it, काफी ठहराव था. So I really liked it. Like she's doing a good job. So all these small things kind of impressed me.
मतलब मेरे लिए पूरी मूवी ठीक जा रही थी एक्सेप्ट द एंडिंग.
Except the ending.
या मुझे तो नहीं पसंद आया
Oh,
एंडिंग.
the only thing you didn't like was the ending, you're saying?
Like I didn't like the part where the entire stance of the film went down the drain in the end.
I don't think it did, dude.
Bro, it did. Like for
No.
me, like for like a layman, for like हो सकता है obviously everybody perceives films in a different way.
I mean, I didn't have to learn this lesson anyway. I don't hit. Dude, what the hell? I guess you did. Same. Yeah. Goes to show. दिल्ली के लौंडे ऐसे होता है. क्या कर रहे हो?
But yeah, but I genuinely thought that this could take a beautiful co-parenting route because they've shown her to be
That
like a
wasn't
sincere.
this movie, dude. That wasn't gonna be this movie. It just never was gonna be this movie. चांद मेरा दिल अगर नाम है पिक्चर का तो क्या लग रहा है भाई?
मेरे भाई इन्होंने ट्रेलर में और प्रमोशंस में कुछ भी रिवील नहीं किया था एंड दैट्स व्हाई आई थॉट दैट देयर इज अ रीजन कि इन्होंने रिवील नहीं किया बिकॉज
But
द
it was-
मूवी इज गोना टेक लाइक अ डिफरेंट
Yeah.
स्टांस अ डिफरेंट रूट
No,
एंड आई थिंक
I did not think that at all.
we don't have like a co-parenting like sort of a
Example,
film and
yeah.
ऊपर से करण जौहर का जो अभी रिसेंटली ऐसा फेस चल रहा है वेयर इज लाइक कि यू नो मैं थोड़ा जैसे धड़क 2 जैसी फिल्म प्रोड्यूस कर दी या कुछ तो आई फेल्ट कि हो सकता है co-parenting is a great topic to touch upon.
But although, did you not think
धर्मा ही है ना ये फिल्म.
Dharma. So the thing is, like, when I was watching the movie, as an audience watching this movie, I feel I would have been unhappy had they not ended up together. Like,
Why?
I would have been. Like, I wanted, like, I did see the repentance, okay? I did see her longing for him, even though she was like, it's very difficult for me to get back to that after what he did, okay? I did see that. And after all of that, after seeing the repenting, seeing the longing of both of these characters, I was like, I really do want them because I got sold into their love story. So I was like, I want them
Fair.
together. So that's
नहीं
what my
मतलब
thing
अगेन
was.
ठीक है. Like I also get this. आपका क्या thought है? Like अगर आप like now you
I mean,
know the main
I know
conflict.
I've only heard the story from you two.
So main point of contention is the conflict. That's it. ऐसी कोई story में कोई nuance नहीं है.
I mean, it's
Sorry, go ahead.
the way it ended is more of a cliche ending.
Yeah, sure.
Um,
It is.
But then I don't know. Maybe the co-parenting thing is still a very unique thing for an Indian
For an
audience
Indian
to
audience,
accept.
पता
So
नहीं.
I don't
तो
know.
again I understand this concept of second chances and everything.
But
पता
like
नहीं,
मेरे
but-
को वो याद आ रही है एक में और एक तू जिसमें वो नहीं एंड अप करते हैं साथ में. They decide to remain
मुंजा में
friends.
भी they don't end up together.
हाँ,
मुंजा
correct.
also is कि
Yeah.
हाँ भाई तू प्यार करता है मैं नहीं करती and
But,
it's okay.
again, that would have been a better ending had they ended together. It's cliched, yes, but it is a better ending.
No, it's
Yeah,
not.
100%.
Why? Then how will we explore different stories and endings and arcs?
So,
no.
but then you don't build up on, like
हाँ,
this.
then the treatment of the movie has to be
make it
slightly
different.
different.
तो love story दिखा रहे हो then incomplete दिखा रहे हो.
Those are the nuances of life also, no? Why at the end of the day, like you can, that like you,
When does what like when is life portrayed accurately in a
लाइफ
movie?
पोर्ट्रे की बात नहीं कर रहा, बट मैं कह रहा हूँ दैट हैपेंस, इट्स नॉट समथिंग जो कभी नहीं हुआ है.
No, yeah,
को
fair.
पेरेंटिंग इज अ normal thing in the world these days.
Correct, 100%.
More often than not, this
But-
is happening.
But what I feel is that in this kind of a movie, even if Munja, if you want to take that example, both of these movies I feel are better because the couple ends up together, if they end up together. And Munja would have been a slightly better movie if they had,
This is a separate case. I think.
Sure,
Separate
Separate
case
case,
altogether. वो
Yeah,
love story भी नहीं है. That's
But-
all. But I'm
I
just
feel
giving
this
an
movie,
example
yeah.
कि किस में they don't end up together. But I okay, fair. मतलब love story.
Donkey में they don't end up together.
Yeah.
They
Which
don't?
I was, yeah, she died.
She dies, no?
Oh, yeah.
Which I was very upset about. I was like, dude, after all of that, you didn't give us a happy ending, dude.
See, I know, like you know, the Indian audience when it
Still
comes
wants.
to,
Yeah.
But then ठीक है, like again, जिस तरीके से बिल्डअप था मूवी का, मुझे सच्ची ऐसा लगा था कि कोई मेजर प्रमोशंस नहीं है, कोई वो नई चीजें नहीं है, तो दे माइट वेंचर इनटू अ न्यू कैटेगरी जो हम लोग ने नहीं देखा होगा. एंड इट वाज जेन्युइनली फॉर मी लीडिंग अप टू अ परफेक्ट को पेरेंटिंग एंडिंग.
अब हमारा कर्तव्य बनता है कि we talk about the Red Chillies movie of the week.
घी खाते हो आप?
कर्तव्य.
बहुत खुशी से खाते हैं.
नहीं. नाम क्या है तुम्हारा?
So now we know ghee is important for two things.
क्या पेलना?
One is गपागप. Because घी छे तो गपागप छे. ठीक है. And then
one
the
is
other one
अगर-
is बुढ़ापे में मांस जब ढीला हो जाता है.
Yes.
तो whatever.
बुढ़ापे में जब मांस छोड़ता है ना हड्डी को तो चर्बी काम आती है. Dude, that guy had flat expressions, no expression at all.
Bro, so I was just telling him before we started rolling that अगर उस रोल को नहीं दिखाते ना at all,
Yeah,
film
would have
में,
been better, maybe.
सिर्फ बात करते हो तो ज्यादा intimidating लगता है वो कैरेक्टर.
Correct. Why would they even do this?
यार
Bro,
clout
so-
ना
so-
भाई.
so let's-
Clout.
What is clout? He wants clout or they want clout by getting him on the
नहीं
show?
bro, he's
the
a
latter.
yeah, it's the same reason you cast any Insta influencer into a movie.
But
This guy is a
bro-
YouTube influencer.
Correct, but that's the thing, dude. इससे अच्छा तो तुम
But
लल्लन टॉप ही करो ना यार.
exactly.
क्या करो?
उसको
इससे तो लल्लन टॉप ही करो तुम.
ललन टॉप को करो तुम.
लल्लन टॉप ही करो.
अच्छा ललन टॉप ही करो. हाँ, of course,
Yeah, of
exactly. That's what.
Yeah.
भाई stop casting non-actors in these roles. Stop casting non-actors.
The main villain-
पहले क्या होता था ना, जैसे you guys remember सुहेब इलियासी, India's most wanted जो
Bro,
करता
my
था.
favorite. I used to joke about him.
तो फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी में उसका कैमियो है, बट ही इज प्लेइंग अ सुहेब इलियासी रोल फॉर द थिंग. तो इन previously they used to cast these roles in either
in as themselves.
as themselves or in similar kind of thing.
Yeah.
यार कौन से एंगल से? So we're talking about Saurabh Dwivedi. in
Maybe Saurabh
Kartavya.
Dwivedi is like this in real life also.
कि उसको
really don't like it, dude.
फेक गॉड मैन बताया है. मतलब he is
और
not
वो
even
गॉडमैन का सीन भी कुछ दिखाया ही नहीं है.
सिर्फ एक सीन इंट्रो सीन दिखाया where he comes on stage and everybody is like
Yeah, because everyone in the audience is going, चूतिया क्या बात कर रहा है? अरे ये हमें दिखाया है.
there is someone has made an edit na that Saif is really trying hard to control his laughter.
Yeah, sure.
So then but yeah
Saif was decent in the movie. I did not
Saif
mind
was
him.
so acting wise, man, Sanjay Mishra and Saif Ali Khan both are very good in the movie.
Yeah.
But it's such a like the movie, it's the same premise as Arth Satya जो मैं सोच रहा था, honest cop in a corrupt system, right? And that will always remain relevant.
Relevant, I swear. It's sad 80s की फिल्म अभी तक relevant है भाई
Always,
जीवन में.
Yeah. So the story is essentially about this small town cop played by Saif Ali Khan, and his immediate partner is not in life, but in the force his partner is Sanjay Mishra. Buddy cop movie. And उनके टाउन में एक बहुत ही renowned journalist आती है जिसका shoot out हो जाता है. So they try to solve the case. But
turns out it was a kid who killed her. Personally.
yeah, and which also is revealed very early in the movie.
So
So
movie
it's
has
a-
no suspense.
It has
Movie
no
is a
suspense.
very-
That's what I'm saying.
Very
It's-
predictable next scene. Every scene, like the next scene is predictable from the previous scene.
the twist you'll see coming from miles away.
Oh भाई साहब पहले scene में पता था
वो तो
twist.
पता ही था संजीव
And
मिश्रा. Spoiler alert, full spoiler alert.
the mastermind of the whole thing is a role played by this godman, which is played by Saurabh Dwivedi. बहुत ही flat movie है. बहुत there was so much potential
They
to
don't
do.
even end it properly.
They don't even end it properly. There is a caste angle, which is a subplot of the movie, which again goes nowhere.
भाई कितनी चीजें ना भाई,
बहुत चीजें।
कास्ट एंगल डाल दिया उन्होंने उसके अंदर, ऑनर किलिंग डाल दिया उसके अंदर,
Just the cast and honor
ठीक
killing
है?
angle would have been enough.
भाई
If that was just the
मैं
movie,
वही
it
तो
would be
कह
very
रहा हूँ,
interesting.
आपने देखो ना, कास्ट एंगल ऑनर किलिंग डाल दिया उसके अंदर, ठीक है, फिर उसके अंदर वो क्या कहते हैं, चिल्ड्रन का वो डाल दिया उसके अंदर,
हाँ,
रैकेट डाल
yeah,
दिया पूरा,
yeah.
ठीक है। उसके बाद उन्होंने गॉडमैन
Corrupt
वाला
cops.
एंगल डाल दिया, फिर उसके बाद करप्ट कॉप्स वाला
बस
एंगल डाल
टिक मार्क
दिया,
है ये सब चीज, but
भाई,
there's nothing that comes out of it.
लिटरली नथिंग दैट कम्स आउट।
Why is Rasika Duggal in the movie? I don't know. She has
Dude,
no
Bechari
role
was
whatsoever
Correct,
in the entire movie.
Correct, absolutely.
भाई अगर आपकी फिल्म में सौरभ द्विवेदी के पास ज्यादा स्क्रीन स्पेस है रसिका दुग्गल से,
तो छोड़
तो
दो भाई.
प्लीज गो बैक टू द ड्राइंग बोर्ड।
Yeah.
Rasika Duggal is one of the finest actresses that we have
True.
in the industry
Yeah.
right now, and she literally has 3 scenes.
And also most of the scenes she's just staring.
She's staring
Yeah,
at Saif
not
Ali
doing
Khan.
anything,
Yeah,
dude.
true.
Yeah.
So this guy also made that movie जो Red Chillies की थी, भूमि पेडनेकर वाली, which was about child trafficking.
भक्षक,
भक्षक
वो अच्छी थी।
अच्छी थी, उसमें भी मुझे लगा था कि what they could have done with the subject
हाँ.
material, they didn't do as much, but fine, whatever, you did what you could. But yeah, Kartavya just, and the Sanjay Mishra character, मेरे को ऐसा लगता लगा दे कहीं तो स्वर्व करेंगे, कहीं पे कुछ करेंगे,
because it was so evident कि वो
He's gonna be the
he's
tone,
gonna
yeah.
flip, तो I was like कि चलो ठीक है भाई, शायद इवेंचुअली ये ऐसा दिखाएंगे कि he has like a क्या कहते हैं उसको, ऐसा मोमेंट जहां से ही फ्लिप्स किया रहे
हाँ, correct.
असल में तो ये सब
हाँ,
ठीक
हाँ,
मैंने ही किया
yeah,
है,
yeah,
तुम
yeah.
सोच रहे थे कि मैं हगूंगा पूरी पिक्चर में।
पर कुछ नहीं हुआ। It's your typical streaming movie. Everything
second screen watch,
everything is
not
just barely there.
Yeah.
But it makes no. It affects you in
Yeah.
no way whatsoever.
Dude, I couldn't get over the fact that the movie ends with, so his father is shown as this
हाँ,
guy who
played by Zakir Hussain, the actor.
yeah, so his father is shown as this guy who is like all about Jat, all about caste, all about
Yeah, patriarchal.
so he ends up killing his own
father.
son, his own younger son,
Honor
Saif Ali
killing,
Khan's
yeah.
brother, honor killing his younger son because he married outside the caste or whatever.
Yeah.
Okay, and so this is like a big point of what the killed his own son. That is crazy. Okay, and it is done. Also, in parallel, the kid who killed the journalist in the beginning is killed by Rajesh
By Sanjay Mishra. Sanjay Mishra. Yeah.
Because the God man is involved in that whole thing. Okay, and it is shown that
क्योंकि
Saif Ali Khan's
testimony भी
father.
दे दिया ना उसने।
Yeah, correct. Also, हाँ, testimony दे दिया, confession दे दिया मतलब है ना. So basically, it is shown that Saif Ali Khan's father is a big bhakt of this God man.
Yeah.
Okay.
And he also says घी खाते हो,
हाँ, correct. So
सबको घी क्यों खाना है पिक्चर में?
So anyway, okay. So Saif, after finding out that his father, his own father, killed his own brother. Okay, killed his brother. Saif takes his father out and kills him.
Yeah.
You think the next obvious step, the movie is gonna end with him going and doing some kind of like getting Saudhi's character arrested or having a shootout at his
कुछ
mansion or
नहीं.
something. Nothing.
वो status quo वैसा
He
का
kills
वैसा
his
ही.
father. That's the end of the movie. It's an incomplete movie. I feel like, dude, I literally feel they shot the Saurabh Dwivedi ends, but it was so bad.
So that's the rumor, right?
Right, yeah, that's the only thing that makes sense,
That's
dude.
the rumor that
That's the only thing that makes
इतना
sense.
ज्यादा खराब किया होगा उसने कि उनको एंड का पूरा चंक काटना पड़ा।
पड़ा है,
Yeah, dude.
yeah.
That doesn't make. Yeah.
Also, the kid wala thing, they don't show you what happened to him after he's sent to Delhi. So we keep.
They do. They
So, हाँ, but they reveal it in a flashback.
Yeah.
तो हमको ऐसा लगता है कि हाँ कुछ तो हुआ होगा, कुछ again some swerve
Obviously.
must have happened, but then what they reveal in the flashback is what they have been implying.
Whatever
all
you're expecting to
throughout.
happen happens every single
movie.
time. Every single time.
So yeah, very very
वाइट
bland
जूतों
movie.
वाला एंगल क्यों डाला उसके अंदर जबरदस्ती?
No idea.
Yeah, that's
You
true.
like आपका ऑब्सेशन वाइट जूतों से क्यों है ऑब्सेशन?
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, I literally thought that'll play something in the movie. You're right, dude. When they
क्योंकि
said in the
आप
beginning.
3 सीन दे दो अगर उस
Yeah,
चीज को,
correct.
तो मतलब अगर आपका जस्ट
There's
एक
no
प्लॉट
payoff.
वो होता है ना कि जस्ट
हाँ,
होगा ना यार,
joke
वो-
है।
वो सौरभ द्विवेदी वाली एंडिंग में होगा.
Possible.
लास्ट सीन में जब वो गोली मारता होगा उसका
भागने के
उसका
लिए।
खून गिर जाता होगा सफेद जूतों पे और वो लास्ट शॉट होगा।
Yeah. Weird, bro. Bizarre.
बहुत ही bizarre. Very, very weird.
मतलब पता नहीं क्यों।
मतलब again all the elements are there on paper, but they don't do anything with it, which is very sad.
Correct. Oh well. So Kartavya, to I would say definitely you can absolutely
yeah.
avoid even unless you want to watch
अब
Saurabh Dwivedi's part.
हम दो हमारे दो कह रहा था फिर से, हम हमारी पत्नी और
हमारी
वो
पत्नी
दो।
तू
हमारी पत्नी और
नहीं
वो
क्या मैं मेरी पत्नी और वो दो
पति पत्नी और वो दो
पति
यार।
और वो दो।
क्या कर रहे हो तुम दोनों यार?
हाँ उसमें क्या हुआ
उसमें भी कास्ट एंगल है।
अच्छा
हाँ, जो तिग्मांशु
आई एम
धूलिया,
स्कैर्ड टू आस्क इवन व्हाट इट इज
तिग्मांशु धूलिया बेसिकली अपने बेटे, सो एक जो जर्नलिस्ट है, दिस वुमन वामिका कबीर, शी ब्रेक्स दिस न्यूज दैट ये जो बंदा है तिग्मांशु धूलिया का जो बेटा है, ही इज डेटिंग समवन आउट ऑफ हिज कास्ट अपेरेंटली, ठीक है। एंड सो ही इज लाइक कि जिस भी जर्नलिस्ट ने न्यूज ब्रेक करी है वो उसको बोलता है कि मैं तुझे अब तेरा खुद का चैनल खुलवा के दूंगा, तू मुझे ये लड़की ढूंढ के देखी है कौन है, मैं इज लाइक आई विल प्रोबब्ली लाइक किल हर और समथिंग अलोंग दोस लाइंस। तो दैट गर्ल इज सारा अली खान, जो कि आयुष्मान की दोस्त होती है।
अच्छा
तो नाउ द एंटायर MLA लाइक द मंत्री प्लॉट इज लाइक द ट्रैक लाइन इज कि वो अब ढूंढ रहा है क्योंकि उसने जात के बाहर प्यार करने की कोशिश की। तो दैट्स व्हाई ये आपका जो कास्टिस्ट और होमोफोबिक साइड बाहर आ गया ना, तो आपका पॉलिटिकल करियर तो खत्म ही हो जाए। अब आयुष्मान वाज लाइक कि आपको क्या क्या प्रॉब्लम डालना है
मैं सब कर देता हूं।
आप आपको अगर ये प्रॉब्लम है तो मेरी ये पिक्चर देख लो, इसके अंदर ये प्रॉब्लम है, ये मेरा CV इसके लिए है, रेफरेंस के लिए।
Okay, anyway, then we are done with Chandana, we're done with Kartavya.
Yeah,
I'll
we are
say,
done with the show.
2 words about Drishyam 3 I watched the
तीन शब्द तो
Malayalam
बोलो, दृश्यम 3 है।
Drishyam 3
That's 2 words.
so I think the Hindi remake is coming in October. Initially they were
2nd
supposed to
October.
oh yeah it's
Is it 2nd
releasing
October?
Like it's
in
it is-
the so in the
अच्छा, makes
Malayalam
sense, yeah,
in the Malayalam movie it was 2nd August. तो मैंने दृश्यम कोई भी नहीं देखी थी ना हिंदी ना मलयालम. In the past week I watched Drishyam 1, 2 and 3 on the day
Oh,
it
cool,
released.
dude. So what do you
yeah.
think of the first two?
So I really like the first one. The first one is still the best
आपने
one.
तीनों मलयालम देखी?
तीनों मलयालम. हिंदी मैंने नहीं देखी अभी तक. So the first one is the best one.
What do you think of the book moment in the second one, dude?
Pretty
Awesome, dude.
amazing,
what a
yeah.
moment, dude. What a
So,
I think about that moment, you know, randomly, like, that was so well done, dude.
Also very unique that so third one is also about the same case. तो एक ही केस पे उन्होंने 3 चीज.
But what else did
At
they
this
do?
point franchise बना दो ना यार.
बना तो दिया है.
It is a franchise,
Franchise as in,
no?
sorry, franchise नहीं, वो क्या कहते हैं उसको, कि same character
Spin-off,
different
spin-off.
story.
Spin-off कर दो.
हाँ.
मुन्ना भाई बना दो उसका. दृश्यम का मुन्ना भाई बना दो.
Without giving much away, the Drishyam 3, the Malayalam one at least ends with a post-credit scene that does imply that.
भाई
So you never know.
दृश्यम मलयालम वाले में क्या नाम है वो लड़के का, सैम है जैसे हिंदी में.
जिसका मर्डर हो जाता है.
हाँ, जिसको वो मार देते हैं.
नहीं, it's something with विवेक या ऐसा कुछ नाम है उसका. विकास या विवेक ऐसा
ठीक
कुछ
है.
नाम है.
भाई अभी तक इस पिक्चर में उसका भूत आया हॉन्ट करने
नहीं.
इन लोग को. तो क्या कितना भाई उसका शरीर एसिड से तो जला दिया था पिछली पिक्चर में. अब क्या
वही तो स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट है भाई.
If you tell me that the body was not acid and the guy is like कि चलो एक और जगह छुपा के देखता हूँ, मैं देखता हूँ ये लोग ढूंढ पाते हैं कि नहीं ढूंढ पाते.
was left or something, dude.
So I will not, of course, reveal what the twist here, what
Yeah,
the
yeah,
case
please
is
don't,
in
please
this
don't,
one.
please don't, yeah.
But the difference in this one is so. In the second movie, he's still anticipating कि कभी ना कभी तो इनको शायद हो सकता है बॉडी मिल जाए. So he's still. But the spoilers for Drishyam 1 and 2, in case you haven't seen, we apologize. But
Do we though?
yeah, I do. So he still has sort of he's putting plans in motion to cover up whenever that happens. Third movie में क्या है ना, this thing comes out, the thing that happens comes out of nowhere. So Mohanlal's character in this
he's also
movie,
not prepared.
He's also not prepared. So that's the major difference between Drishyam 1, 2 and 3. Where in this one, so in the Malayalam one, his name is George Kutti, the Mohanlal's character. George Kutti is the one who is anxious and very not scared, but he's taken aback with what happened. Correct. Or I don't know how it's done in the Hindi version, but Malayalam Drishyam 1 and 2 में Drishyam 1 first half is a family drama. Right at the interval point the murder happens, and the second half is full police procedural. Drishyam 2 में it's like a 60-40 split. 60% of the movie is like a family drama. 40% movie is this thing. इसमें वो और भी ज़्यादा 75% of the movie is the family drama. So the case takes a very long time to kick in. So it's a slowest of slow burn.
But is it worth it? Is it worth it?
It's worth it because last का जो आधा घंटा है ना उसमें ट्विस्ट पे होता रहता है
अरे भाई,
एंड
मेरे को डर लगता है।
ये भी ट्विस्ट हो गया भाई, ये भी ट्विस्ट हो गया भाई।
लाइक आई एम डन गाइस,
लास्ट के आधे घंटे में
एक मेरे को लगा which I think it will definitely tend to happen by the time you get to the third, fourth installment of a movie. कि the selling point of Drishyam 1 and 2 was this was a very, very common man who will go to any lengths to save his family. Drishyam 3 में there are moments where Mohanlal also does hero type things, where he has some action moments and whatever. But on the whole, I think, like I said, it's a very slow burn, so the case takes a long time to kick in. There are a few surprises as where the villains are concerned, but good surprises. And by the end, it
does
the Drishyam thing where it makes a compelling case and gives a nice twist.
बस एक बारी अब वो हमारे हिंदी वाले वर्जन में वो स्पेशल कैमियोज जो आप कह रहे हो वो टार्जन द वंडर कार वाले हीरो को मिल जाए तो मजा ही आ जाए, क्योंकि उसकी बीवी तो ऑलरेडी है पिक्चर में।
वो एक्चुअली मिल सकता है,
ठीक है, उसकी बीवी ऑलरेडी है पिक्चर में। The daughter that kills the guy,
she's his actual wife?
yeah, and
Oh, wow.
so that's
what's the guy's name?
वत्सल पटेल।
वत्सल कॉमन नाम नहीं है ऐसे।
बट पटेल नहीं है, फिर वत्सल सेठ, वत्सल सेठ, ठीक है
ना, खुश हो गया।
तो वहां से वापस लेते हैं। व्हाट्स द गाइस नेम? वाइफ का नाम नहीं पता मुझे,
नहीं, as in he asked you, okay, his wife is in the movie.
Yeah.
हाँ ठीक है, वही है यार, वत्सल सेठ ही है।
हाँ ठीक है,
नहीं, ठीक है।
तो वही से
His eldest daughter.
हाँ, जो डॉटर जो मारती है, जो मर्डर करती है, that's his actual wife. तो and he has anyway played a son to Ajay Devgan in Tarzan the Wonder Car. She is playing daughter to Ajay Devgan. So
And the daughter is getting married in this one, no?
Yeah.
Yeah.
bro,
It could well be, dude. It could well happen. You never know. That could well be. You heard it here first.
and इस बार जब वो गोवा से पणजी जाएंगे वो टार्जन द वंडर कार में जाएंगे।
तो क्या अजय देवगन मर जाएगा मतलब? Shit.
So the inciting incident that only कि वो अपने बेटी का रिश्ता ढूंढ रहा है और रिश्ता जैसे ही पक्का होता है कोई फोन करके उनको केस के बारे में बता देता है। So like who the is this person who's going and telling them about the
fully can be Vatsal Seth then.
So yeah, along with this, I saw another Malayalam film called Atiradi, जिसका मैं तुमको premise बता देता हूँ. It's one of the craziest premises I have come across. एक इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज है जिसके कॉलेज
TVF बनाएगा बेटे।
सुन तो ले, इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज है. इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज डज अ कॉलेज फेस्टिवल वेयर समथिंग गोज रॉन्ग बिकॉज ऑफ विच सम स्टूडेंट्स लूज देयर लाइफ. ठीक है, सो द कॉलेज बैन्स द कॉलेज फेस्टिवल फॉर द फोरसीएबल फ्यूचर बिकॉज ऐसा हुआ. By the way, this movie is by the same team which made Minal Murli. The director of Minal Murli is the hero of this movie. Basil Joseph is the hero.
Yeah.
One of the writers is the director, and Tovino Thomas, who played Minal Murli, is the villain.
Oh, cool.
So it's very well spread
What
out.
great actor, man.
So anyway, a few years later, Basil Joseph takes admission in this engineering college.
Okay.
And he's like one of those just pass हुआ हुआ लड़का, जैसे वो father का special request आया कि इसको admission दे दो. हाँ,
Yeah, Basil Joseph is that actor who can play any age.
हाँ, any age. Yeah.
does
So he
not
plays
age.
a
He's
first year
played-
student.
Yeah, first year student. He's played college students all the time.
तो वो ना
Older-
उसको
older
बंदियों
guy
को impress करना है इस कॉलेज में. तो मैं तो बंदियों को कैसे impress करूँ, कैसे impress
फेस्ट ऑफिस चालू करा था।
हाँ, तो उसका दोस्त बोलता है कि तू फेस्ट ऑफिस क्यों नहीं चालू करा था. बोलता कैसे कराऊं यार. सो ही गोज अबाउट ट्राइंग टू समहाउ कैसे फेस्ट वापस करवा दे. वो उसका बड़ा भाई जो था वो फेस्ट का इंचार्ज तब था जब वो इंसिडेंट हुआ था. तो उसका वो भी ट्रॉमा रहता है कि मेरे को मेरे भाई को प्रूव करना है वो. तो फर्स्ट हाफ पूरा इसी में चला जाता है, कॉमेडी इंस्टेंसेस ऑफ हाउ ही कैन स्टार्ट गेटिंग द फेस्ट.
It's a comedy movie.
इट्स अ hilarious movie. It's full on
What are you
comedy.
saying, dude?
फिर इंटरवल
Oh, I
पॉइंट
can't
में
wait
ना
to watch
उसको परमिशन मिल जाती है. कुछ करता है कि तू फेस्ट चालू कर सकता है. फेस्ट के प्रिपरेशन चालू हो जाते हैं. ठीक है, लाउड स्पीकर लग रहा है ये वो. कॉलेज के एडजॉइनिंग एरिया में एक स्लम है. वो स्लम में ना टोविनो थॉमस का कैरेक्टर एक भाई है. ही इज अ रिफॉर्म्ड गुंडा हु इज नाउ अ डिवोशनल सिंगर. ठीक है,
Funny. Nice.
तो उसका सेटअप का तेरे को वो बच्चा याद है, सपने देखना अच्छी बात है. वो ही इज प्लेइंग हिमसेल्फ. तो उसका और टोविनो का शो होने वाला है, लेकिन कॉलेज के लाउड स्पीकर से ही वो ब्रो दैट किड हैज प्लेड सच एन अमेजिंग एसहोल इन द मूवी. बोला मेरे लिए बिना बर्फ का तुम पानी लेके आए हो, मैं नहीं पानी पीऊंगा.
Nice, dude.
तो ही पुल्स आउट, इज लाइक मेरे डिमांड्स नहीं हो रही है वो.
Nice,
और एडजॉइनिंग कॉलेज की आवाज की वजह से इनका शो नहीं हो पा रहा है. तो टोविनो बोलता है कौन है ये साले मैं देखूं तो इंटरवल पॉइंट पे दोनों कॉलेज गैंग की और ये गैंग का वो हो जाता है, ठीक है, मिलाप नहीं हो, झगड़ा हो जाता है. फिर इंटरवल के बाद जो कॉलेज फेस्ट वाले हैं वो अपने फाइनल शो के लिए they hire this guy called Vineet Srinivasan, who is actually a very big Malayalam singer and actor. So Tovino's
also a comedian, dude.
Also, not our Vineet Srinivasan, the Vineet Srinivasan. So the Tovino's gang says ke before this guy can go to their fest, we will kidnap him. So the second half is full comedy of errors of that, of how each gang tries to get this guy to their way, and Vineet Srinivasan is playing himself. So very
द्विवेदी को भी करना चाहिए था अगर उसको फिल्म में होना था तो.
हाँ, तो वेरी फनी मूवी ये. आई थिंक 1 या 2 हफ्ते में सोनी लाइव पर आ जाएगी. अतिरादी, प्लीज वॉच इट. आई हैड अ लॉट ऑफ फन. अगर आपको आवेशम पसंद आई है, इट्स वेरी मच इन टोन लाइक आवेशम.
वो मुझे लग रहा था when he said college
festival, Gunda,
retired former
all
boss
of
or
that.
whatever.
So
Right.
please watch.
It sounds very fun, dude. I'm gonna watch
It's
this.
very
first.
funny.
Very fun.
Nice, good.
Cool, guys. That brings us to the end of this awesome episode of Pop Conversations. I don't know why I'm doing it at the end. Beginning of the episode. Guys, come on, full energy now.
देखिए
This
क्या
is it.
अभी अपने स्पिट्स वाले एपिसोड का क्या चल रहा है.
ओ भाई, और हेट मिल रहा होगा, और क्या चल रहा होगा यार.
नहीं, by the time this
Bro,
episode comes out,
actually the CTR is pretty high though.
Yeah, but that's because it's a new thing. It'll,
No bro, CTR like
कितना है? 10 है? 9 है?
10 से भी ऊपर 10.5.
अरे वही है ब्रो, ठीक है ब्रो. That's तो normal ब्रो. CTR तो हमारा अच्छा ही होता है यार. हम लड़े रहे यार. Okay.
please subscribe to the channel, become a member. We have 2 tiers, caramel and salted. If you subscribe to the if you become a member, you get bonus episodes which we will record at some point very soon.
Yeah. Dude, beach mein, let me just say, we are gonna try some shit, okay? Because we need we want to cater to new viewers. We want to cater to more audiences. We can't just keep doing the same thing again and again. So we are gonna try this dumb reality show reaction or whatever.
And
we're
also,
gonna do.
एक और चीज जो आपने बोला, adding on to that,
Yeah.
कि there are days जब अब जैसे there is content जो हम लोग नहीं, सारे हम लोग जरूरी नहीं कि हम लोग सब देख रहे हैं.
Yeah,
ठीक
bro.
है, तो
But
जैसे
we
for
have
example
friends
Splitsvilla
and
है, तो जैसे अब वो अगर कीर्ति और आकाश ने देखा होता साथ में, तो they did the episode. इसका ये मतलब नहीं कि हम लोग चैनल को लेके सीरियस नहीं है कि तुम लोग क्यों, हम कोशिश यही करते हैं कि हम तीनों ही मोस्टली चीज़ें करें, एंड वी ट्राई टू ब्रिंग गेस्ट. कोशिश उस चीज़ की लगी रहती है, बट देर आर थिंग्स जो SEO फ्रेंडली हैं, SEO हैवी हैं, जो हमने नहीं देखी हैं, विच इज़ वन इन दिस केस Splitsvilla.
Dude, literally, other Jammies be doing content on Splitsvilla, dude. What the hell? Jammy, love you. He'll watch this.
मेरे को क्यों तोड़ा?
और कुछ होना मैं जैमी से बच जाऊंगा.
I watch everything Jammy does. If he watches one thing of ours, it's okay, dude.
Yeah, it's okay. It's fine.
Yeah.
So yeah, please be patient. हम लोग भी कोशिश कर रहे हैं, चीज़ें फिगर आउट कर रहे हैं. तो कभी कभार ऐसा आपको कंटेंट दिखेगा जो हमारा यूजुअल कंटेंट नहीं है, बट दैट्स जस्ट एक्सपेरिमेंटिंग विद द यूट्यूब एल्गो कि कैसा हो रहा है, कैसा नहीं हो रहा.
Yeah, because see, also the thing is like we don't work for anyone else. It's our channel.
It's our channel.
So we feel like अगर और कहाँ एक्सपेरिमेंट करेंगे हम, यहीं तो एक्सपेरिमेंट करने के लायक है.
एक बार हमें पता लग गया कि हाँ, हम दिस इज द फुटिंग जो हमारे लिए बहुत पूरी तरीके से, सो दैट वी नो कि ये चीज हमारे लिए वर्क कर रही है. वी वांट टू वेंचर इनटू अदर थिंग्स एज वेल.
What we're saying is stay tuned for the Big Boss episode. It's coming very soon.
Guys, you're gonna be hosting Big Boss.
Bro, मैं तो कहता भाई, मैंने पहले भी ये पिच किया था एंड इट एक्चुअली वर्कड जब पिछले चैनल पे, कि जब बिग बॉस आता है, डू अ weekly 20-minute thing, bro. You have no idea the
I know,
viewership of
The
Big
engagement.
Boss.
Insane.
That's true, that's true.
Insane engagement.
We could actually, you know.
We
It
करेंगे.
doesn't have to be all, you know, gung ho about it. We can be trolling shit, man. That's the way. That's the vibe of the show.
We didn't even talk about Bhai's meltdown on
Oh,
social
bro.
media.
Bro, एक सेकंड. किसी ने कमेंट किया है कि स्नेहिल तो भाई की ड्राइविंग भी डिफेंड कर सकता है. सर, नाउ आई एम गोना गो
सही बात है.
ठीक है. I love the fact that Salman is handling his own Instagram and he does shit what he wants to do
That's
on his
true,
Instagram.
yeah.
I am tired of celebrity Instagram looking like PR profiles where like PRs can send the links to ki bhai this actually happens, by the way, that if you are like applying to like a PR firm and all, and if they ask ki bhai aapne kaun se celebrities manage kiye, they actually send their Instagram profiles that you
Correct,
know this is what we've done, ye hamara aisa placement tha, ye humne feed. Abhi Instagram is supposed to be personal, it's not supposed to be a CV.
Yeah.
So I'm
Suppose-
glad that Salman writes captions in like broken English, WhatsApp language. Awesome को OSM लिख रहे हैं बड़ा भैया हमारे, कोई दिक्कत नहीं.
Can Salman Khan handle my Instagram? That'd be pretty cool. That'd be pretty cool. He can post all photos. I don't
कोई
mind.
दिक्कत नहीं.
Photos अपने डालो, पर मेरा Instagram डालो.
Bro, Salman Khan.
Please follow me on Instagram and follow these guys. Yes. Yeah.
Yeah.
That's it.
That's about it, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. Hope you enjoyed this episode. Please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, subscribe to our memberships, and tell a friend about us. Tell 2 friends about it. Tell 3, man. You know,
अभी
we
बताओ
won't
ना
tell
लोग
you.
कितने चाहिए? 77 हाँ?
77. Unless we got 1 or 2 or left.
76.
76
76. Yes.
subscribers. We are already there, almost there.
76.
Chalo, see you.
See you guys.
Okay, guys.
Bye-bye.
Bye.